Alright, I've been live for about 5 minutes, I think. Big Boss, welcome! Welcome, welcome. Oh, I love this intro so much. I love this intro. I'm doing great, thank you for asking. I hope you're doing well too. Buddy. You should set this up, Big Boss. You should play with us. Hey, Toby, welcome. Let's enjoy the intro. Man, I love this game so much. I may have to lower the volume of the TV actually, because... Actually, can I make the audio come out of the headphones? Let me try that. Let's see if that works. Just got a good deal on a PSN and Mega Man. Ah, 1 to 10 for £8. Wow, awesome. Miss Monokuma, Vlogger waiting for you in voice chat. What? No! Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can fix this, because I want to avoid you guys getting the echo. Can I do this and this? Looks like it. I may have to restart it though. I'm gonna have to restart the thing. Hold on. Sorry guys, sorry, restarting. Don't worry guys, don't worry. Everything's fine, don't worry. Let me just make sure everything is fine. No, I'm gonna have to log in again. God dang it. Hold on, I'm coming, Miss Monokuma, I'm coming. Give me a second. I wanted to enjoy the cutscene. I'm trying to find a match on DB5. Apparently, Toby, it's very hard to find a match. I've been reading about it, and I've been seeing memes online. People saying it's a mess, apparently. I've watched a few streams as well. Alright, the sound is coming. Now the sound is coming from... Oh, but it's not being picked up by the... It's not being picked up by the stream. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Hold on, let me just fix that real quick. Audio. And the needs to come from this one. Apply. Okay, I need to restart OBS, guys. I'm gonna restart OBS, and I'm gonna be back in literally a couple of seconds. I'm gonna say 15 seconds. Be right back. I should be back already. Let me just make sure. Alright, there we go. I should be back already. I'm back, right? Can somebody confirm that? So Toby says he was unable to find the match. You found 0. That's why I didn't bother streaming it, to be honest with you. And I'm guessing they're gonna give us another chance, maybe next weekend, probably, because that's how it goes. Let me just adjust the volume on my headphones now, because it's kind of loud. Like this. You guys can hear it, yeah? You guys can hear it, right? Please do let me know. The thing is, no matter how long you've been streaming, you will never get the audio right. You'll always struggle with audio. Forever. So you got Mega Man 1 to 10 for £8. That's really good. On PSN. I was gonna say it's on Steam. Well done. Excellent. Alright, so it's open also tomorrow. Maybe I'll give it a go tomorrow. But yeah, I've been watching streams. People are struggling to find matches. Anyway. This is why I'm playing this instead. Let's join the chat, the voice chat where Miss Monokuma is. Let's go say hello to Miss Monokuma. Where is she? Let's Let's give them a jump scare real quick. I'm really good at scaring people. Let's try this. Boogity 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 boogity!
Fine.
Did I scare you?
No.
You're late.
Alright, let me just increase the volume of the...
Is Ari Talk joining us?
Yeah, he's just making some tea, he said.
Oh, because I see he's playing Silent Hill too.
Are you... He's streaming it? He's streaming Silent Hill? No.
No,
No.
in his Discord. It says
Same
playing
this-
Silent Hill.
Yeah, but don't mind
There
that.
he is.
Don't mind that because it's probably just... out.
Ooh,
Hey,
we're getting
Ari Talk.
baited.
Hey guys.
There he is! There he is!
Hi.
Can people in chat confirm that you can hear them just fine? I want you guys to be able to hear them as loud as me, probably, hopefully. So, Ari Talk made some tea.
Yes.
Miss
Only for me though.
Miss Monokuma said she made a drink as well. What drink did you get, Miss Monokuma? I would like to know.
I got orange juice and Sprite.
Okay.
What
I am
about you,
disappointed,
Foggy?
son. What about
You guys
Cheer?
can't know any other thing.
What is Cheer drinking?
As always, coffee.
Coffee!
Oh my
Coffee!
God,
Coffee.
you guys bear with me,
Hey,
man.
coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee! I'm gonna lower the...
What about you, Vloggy?
What? Me? I'm having port. You ever had port? It's like wine, but kind of sweeter and awesomer. Bill is here. You see, Bill. You see, if you wish hard enough, you will catch one of my streams. How are you?
Hey, Bill.
How are you, Bill? And how are you, Jack? And how are you, Toby? And how are you, Vloggy? I'm doing great. Okay, let's network.
File 2.
So we're playing File 2, alright, just so we're clear.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna
Wait,
be the
I-
first time in my life ever that I'm gonna be in the police station with 4 people that I know. It's gonna be awesome.
Actually, didn't we do that before?
What?
We already done this before. It was you, me, True, and I think Amy.
I don't think it was 4 people. I don't think it was 4 people that we know. I think some of us were actually random people, I think. I don't know,
no,
maybe,
no.
maybe I forgot.
No,
I don't know.
no, wait. It was you and me, I think McKnight with us. I think True.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to remember now. My memory's coming back.
Yeah.
Previous
I'm
connection.
Vloggy Buddy and I remember everything.
Vloggy buddy, I forget everything.
You forget.
Next,
Yeah.
let's see.
Yeah, that's why he has me. I remember everything for him.
Yeah,
Your
I'm
assistant.
remembering.
assistant.
Was it the police station though? Was it the police station? I forgot.
Oh, yeah, the police station.
Hmm.
We did went on very hard and died.
Oh, I forgot.
Then we did on easy and we survived.
Okay, I forgot. My goodness, I miss McKnight. I miss
You guys
McKnight.
want me to start the room?
Ah, you're already
Yeah,
waiting. You already created the room.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
already starting and I was thinking of a password.
No, I'm logging in right now. Signed in as Vloggy.
It survived. Hey Max.
I'm coming. Jack reinstalled Metal Gear Solid 4 on the PS3 after beating Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Okay. You know
Okay.
what? On my PS4, I'm already struggling with storage. I got a 500 megabyte. Was it 500? Yeah, 500 megabytes. And it's not enough, man.
Which scenario you guys want to do?
Let's start from the zoo.
The wild.
Welcome to the jungle.
wildlife. Yeah, we should go with wildlife.
Yeah, let's start Wild Things. Dun, dun, dun. You make my
How
How are
heart
we doing?
sing.
Oh, great. No, not a drink. How are you, Jay?
Toby's disappointed in Bandai. The thing is, when they launch betas, that's why they do these beta runs. All right, this is why they do these early access beta runs, so they can stress test the servers and the matchmaking and online gaming. That's why they do these things. I'm guessing that they will give us another weekend because this was a flop. This was a flop. That's why I didn't even bother to play it and stream it myself, because what can you do? I was excited to play it, but
Okay, thanks Max.
I want cake now.
you having cake?
I want it.
Oh my god.
I've been wanting donuts. No donut.
Yeah,
Let me
you
see if I
should've
can-
gotten-
Let me see if I
should've
can do that.
get some.
Donut. Free area. So I go into free area, right? Yes. This looks different.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open.
There's a wild things created. Is this yours?
No, you'll notice which ones are.
You're gonna
Yeah.
call it pants or something?
Oh no. I found it.
Hey, Tiffany!
Passwords.
Hey, Tiff.
Let me see if I can get. I forget if this is the actual year, but what was the first game of Resident Evil? Like
fir-
what year? That Resident
1997.
Evil 1. That's the
1997.
That's the password.
All right, but
Let me
it's.
see if I get that right. I think
Oh,
I-
is it this one? Stream. It's called Stream, yeah?
Yeah.
I found it. 1997. I'll never forget that year.
Wait.
Wait, 7?
No.
Wasn't it 99?
1997.
Six.
I got this. Wiki,
Yeah.
help me.
It's 1997, right? The password.
No.
No.
Is it a 99?
What? The first Resident Evil game was in 1999? No, that is so wrong.
No, the
It's
year.
nine-
The year that it took place in. Like
No.
Oh!
1998.
1988.
That's 8. Okay, well it's
1998. Yeah, 1998 is when it took place.
I knew
Yeah.
it was one of them. I was like, I'll go with 99 for a bit.
All right, so it's 1998 then, or 99?
Yeah.
No, 99.
1999. Okay.
Wait, what about 96?
I don't know.
Oh.
Wasn't that
What
the
was it?
original?
Oh wait, no, that's when it was released.
Yeah, that's the original one, I think. There's a
Yeah,
remake for
yeah.
game. No.
Yeah, the original came in 96, but the game itself, the story took place in 98.
How do I change my Chrome?
I don't know.
I went to go search.
Toby, I agree with you. The beta really put some people off, but I'm buying the game not for the online, to be honest with you. I'm buying the game for the story mode, so I don't really care about the online. The online is a nice additional feature, but it's not my main thing, you know. And I'm sure it'll be fixed by the time they release the game.
Actually, you should get Dragon Dogma vlogging.
Dragon's
Oh my
Dogma.
God. I need
Oh,
some
yeah.
pawns, guys.
So there's
Yeah,
3
it's
people in
fine.
here. Who's in already? Member list.
I'm in.
Samich, Cheer, and Vloggy. Ari Talk, did you sleep?
No, wait.
Don't
I
sleep,
thought
man.
there was a password. I thought there was a password.
Yes, there's a
Yeah,
password.
there
It's 1999.
Oh, I see. It's number 7. Oh, okay.
Everything wasn't taken. I was like, why?
Alright.
Yeah, when you said when it took place, like when it first took place, I thought you
Yeah.
meant the first game ever. Like Resident Evil took place in 1996,
Oh,
the first event.
did you leave the password? Wait, what was the password?
1999.
1999.
Okay.
I wanted to be a little creative, but I was like, so I went to go Google it to make sure it was like one of those years where my Google was starting to be.
You know what
Well,
song came out in
one-
1999? It's here and I like it. Woo, Big Will. Do you guys
Oh,
remember
no.
that song?
No.
Are we all in?
Really? It's called Will 2K. Will 2K. It's here and I like it.
I'm in.
Woo!
I'm in.
Okay.
I never heard of it.
You're in, right? You are in, right? Yeah, you're in. Ari Talk,
Yeah,
there
well-
he is. Ari Talk, Vloggy, Alyssa, and David. Did I get the thumbnail right for once? I think I did. I think I got the thumbnail right for once.
I don't know. I didn't see your stream. So I
Yeah,
don't
I
know.
Wow, Jack, you were 4 or 5 when Resident Evil 1 came out. Oh, let's enjoy the
No,
cutscene.
you got Cindy and Yoko.
Guys, how old were you when Resident Evil 1 came out in 1996? How old were you guys?
I wasn't
Ted.
even a thing.
I was
I was
9.
10.
You were 9? Wow, I'm the
I was
oldest.
9.
I'm the oldest.
You're old.
I was 11 when it came out. I was 11.
Oh my
I was, yeah. So you're the oldest, then I'm the second.
Wow. I'm old! Where are my
Yeah, I
dentures?
was not the youngest here.
Oh, Max, you're as old as Woggy then. Okay.
You wanna know a fun fact? No, actually, I'm not gonna say it. Not enough wine to say such things.
I know what you're gonna say.
No, I don't think you do.
Cheer, what was you gonna say?
Yeah, I am gonna say it actually. The girl I'm dating right now was born when Resident Evil came out in 1996. She was 0 years old.
a beautiful elephant.
Yep.
I want to
Yeah.
pet.
Oh, by the way, what difficulty is this?
To the citizens of Raccoon City.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Jack, you
I
just
don't
gave
know.
Jack, you just
I
gave
know
me an
it.
idea. Jack, you just gave me an idea for donation alert. When somebody donates, not enough cash,
Like the
stranger.
citizens will gate. If a rescue team's on
It's
the
all
way, I'd
fine.
better hurry.
Can you imagine if somebody makes a donation and then it says not enough cash?
But it looks like I should check it
Oh
out.
my god, Vloggy, that would be awesome.
Not enough cash. Oh, somebody makes they put their heart out in a donation. They make like their effort to make it, and then the alert just says not enough cash, stranger.
I would be so disappointed.
Oh man.
Yeah, my
That's a joke.
my game crashed, so
Oh no, really?
you all have fun. I don't know what's going on.
No way. So he's about to pass out. Boink!
You'll-
He just
yeah.
passed out. Time to loot, my buddy. Time to loot.
We had this problem earlier with.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna loot.
Yeah, but
I don't know what the hell that was about.
we went far in the game.
Yeah, I know. We got.
Oh man.
But
I'm sorry he died. I wanted him to be with us. Do you wanna? Since we just started, do you wanna wait for him and restart the scenario? Perhaps
No,
we just.
don't. It you know it crashed yesterday, but
Oh
for
my god, that was a big old glitchy glitch.
oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
We're never getting eaten. Kind of teleported. You know?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like, oh, yeah.
I'm like, I didn't know what happened. I'm just,
Oh, you know what difficulty we're probably on? Very hard.
Oh come on, seriously? Really? Are we?
I don't think I changed it one bit.
Oh come on. We should start again
Yeah, I
then.
think- I think we should start.
What happened?
Would it be better if we just all died here so we don't have to quit?
This sucks.
Hey! You good there?
No,
Oh, you're dead. Oh, no, you're alive.
no, I'm still alive.
Oh,
Yeah, hey,
It's glitching big time, huh?
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bit.
yeah, and I'm not sure if people can hear on my stream.
You streaming as well?
Oh yeah,
I don't
Awesome.
know.
I would love to see. Come with me. Don't die, cheer.
yeah.
We need
that
your
is no-
skills.
Are you okay?
We should start this again though.
Don't
Yeah,
give
we-
up.
Just start.
Alright, so how do we do? We just quit? What? How do we do this?
Yeah,
Wait.
well,
Oh, that requires so much logging in, doesn't it?
Alright, I just I'm
yeah.
So guys, why don't we make this interesting? We can either make it normal or hard, or we can make it very hard but with unlimited ammo.
Oh, with infinity.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
we can do that. We can either go for normal or hard, but regular game, or we can go very hard but infinite ammo.
Oh, damn.
Well, since some of us are a little bit rusty in this game, I think we should start with easy.
Let's start with easy. Yes,
infinite.
let's start with easy, but no
Yeah.
infinite ammo. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Who's
And
gonna
then
host the
we'll go
game?
through, I think you should.
I'm gonna host the game. I'm gonna host the game. All right. I'll create the game. I'll create the session.
Okay.
So, I hope the streams. I hope the servers don't lag because I'm not very confident.
I'm just letting you know, like yesterday I was trying to play a different game on the PS2 emulator,
Uh-huh.
and it was crashing. It was crashing with it on my end with that as well, and I thought it was the game that but the ROM maybe, but it just did the same thing. It crashed. So
It's so weird.
I
Yeah,
looking.
I had some problem with this earlier. Every time I started a game, crash. Keep saying the CLVR9 thing.
Mine just has stopped working. It like freezes and says stop working, and
Do you want to restart the game again, and we'll wait for you?
I don't. I say go on ahead. I might have to come back for the next one or something.
It's up to
Yeah,
you.
actually, we already left the game. So you can join us if you want.
No, I say go on ahead of me. I'll catch the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rocky made a game.
Alright, so I created the room. It's called No Pants, and the password is 6767.
6767.
I like what Jack said. With infinite ammo, I can picture Vloggy going, I don't need you for infinite ammo, Jack. I don't need anyone else. I have no pants.
Yeah, you know, with infinite ammo, we just have to, like, do that.
You will give me an egg.
With infinite ammo, you just have to load the, you know, a handgun.
I won't reload my handgun with shotgun shells. Alright, 2 people are in.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm not wearing pants right now, Bill. Nope, 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 nope. No pants. Pants are for noobs. Alright, let's start the game.
Oh, I'm wearing my fighting outfit.
Your what?
You know, my martial art. You know, my fighting. My outfit that I wear when I fight someone.
Yes,
Oh, no.
Jack. We need
No,
to do
no,
that.
no, 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 no. Oh no, no. It crashed on me.
I think it crashed on me as well, to be honest with you. Me, it just went black screen.
Yeah.
What about
Didn't this
you?
happen before?
Hmm?
Didn't this happen before? Or just...
On my emulator, just went black screen as well, huh?
error.
Network error. Not connection lost due to instability in modem network, and definitely not from my end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's the CLR, the Dev 9.
So yeah, the session wasn't created. It crashed for everyone then. Complete global crashing.
So, what should we do now?
Third time's the charm. Yeah, exactly. Try again. Try again.
Great.
Alright, so exit.
So,
Monokuma, do
Like-
you want to try setting up the event yourself again, perhaps?
Sure. This time, I won't put it on very hard.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, please.
Just,
Yeah.
Okay, just have
Just
some mercy.
remind me.
Just have some mercy.
okay, that's the first normal, or...
Hey, hold on. There's already a session created Wild Things. Do you want to join that one? Somebody's already in. If 3 of us will make 4. Do you want to do that? Join someone else's session.
Okay, it's
Let-
number 2, right?
It's number 2. Let's go in that one. Yeah.
yeah, I'm coming in.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's
They
fill
got
up.
Kevin.
Let's fill
They're
up this
playing
guy's room.
Kevin, so-
Oh, he occupied Kevin though. He occupied Kevin. That's okay. I'll go as.
Do you have a different skin for Kevin? Like you could still play as Kevin, but different skin.
I don't know. I've got a bunch of names: Harsh, Bill, Peter, Marvin, Fred, Andy. I don't know which one is
play
which.
Honk. Yeah, play that Honk.
Hunk. There's Hunk.
Oh yeah, Honk. Yeah, I think Honk is Kevin.
I don't even know. I haven't. X-Man. You can play as X-Man. What the heck is all this? Monica, Linda,
yeah,
Rita,
X-Man.
Mary, Kate, Danny, Danny B, Gil, Gil B, Keith, Kurt, Dorothy, Raymond, Aaron, Elliot, Eric, Harry, Carl. There's a Carl. Philip, Don, Matthew, Robert, Chuck, Ginger,
That's a lot
Laura.
of people. What the heck?
What's all this? Ethan. There's Ethan. Mr. Gold, Mr. Black, Mr. White, Miss Peach, Miss Water. What's all this? Miss Water, Miss White. I'm gonna go Miss Peach. Ah, no, I think it's just the. Where's Hunk?
That's Hank.
Honk's all the way at the front.
Oh, there we go, Hunk. Hunk and Hunk B. I'm gonna go Hunk. Enter. We don't know the difficulty of this guy's session though. Alright, so it's 3 people in. Member data.
I'm almost in. I'm almost in. Is that a
Alright.
password?
There's no password, no.
This person has so much point. His score is a hell of a lot.
Wait a moment.
Total distance.
I'm not sure which one is the half-naked one. The half-naked.
Alright, so
Naked
4
David.
people are in.
Oh,
The session should
no.
start.
Tell me the game is full.
What? 4 people are in according to this.
Yeah, tell me the game is full.
Cheers.
That's okay, I'm gonna exit then. I'm gonna exit the session then. I'll create one
Oh
myself.
wait, it's. Oh my god, the person left.
Okay, come in.
This is when I left, or maybe, I don't know.
Let's
Oh,
try
some
it.
people left.
No,
Yeah,
we'll just make a new one.
Let's just make
Yeah.
a new one. Let's just, you do it. You do it, Monokuma, because
What,
Um,
what the fuck?
let's try and make sure it's not very hard.
Alright, let's put it easy. Let's go easy.
I don't do hard.
Well, that sucks.
I don't do hard.
You're always hard, Lucky.
And he missed my previous comment. He's playing with extra costumes on. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that.
I'm not gonna put a password on.
Oh, it's up to you. I see it. Stream coming in. Boom.
Okay, I'm in.
I hope it doesn't lag, because the first session really lagged badly.
Oh, that's good.
I'm
Okay,
in?
I'm in.
Oh, 3 people are in. You can start the session then.
Wait, what was I already talking?
Wait, is he? I think he's joining.
Yeah, I mean,
We can
I
wait.
just-
I'll just kick if.
yeah, I'll
Oh, wait.
Bill.
I'm logging in the
Skills
network
unlocked for
now.
beating the scenarios. Yeah, I think I got all of them as well.
And
I think I got
Crane.
all of them as well, Jack. And yeah, I do love you. I love you this much. This
How much is
much.
that much?
Ah, you cannot see how much is this much.
Oh my god, it could be as much as an ant.
Exactly.
Not fair.
You never see.
That's
The
not
thing
fair.
is, I had in mind to do the face cam today, but the thing
Oh
is,
my god, that's so funny because I was going to too, because I was doing it when me and Cheer were practicing earlier.
yeah, I saw a glimpse of your stream, and I saw that you were doing face cam, and I'm like, if Monokuma's going on face cam, I'm going on face cam. All right, it's not fair. And
I was like, but then I was like,
but then I realized that all my USB slots were occupied. One for my microphone, one for my headphones, and the other one for my controller. There was no other one left for my camera. I need to buy a USB hub.
oh man.
Actually, I was gonna use the webcam for the stream. Oh,
No, I just don't have enough USB slots.
I just had to fix my camera.
All right,
It's
we can
more
start.
Like,
Can we start the session? 4 out of 4 are in.
It's- wait, no, that's not already talk.
Yeah, but
I'm entering the lobby now.
Yeah, he's logging in right now. Might as well wait.
yeah, but it says 4 out of 4. So should we exit this one?
No, the person's probably just gonna leave. Unless I can kick him somehow.
I don't think you can. I don't think.
Oh,
you
it's
can.
that Matt person from before.
Is it?
Yeah. They're playing as Ben. They did that. Oh, they left anyway.
Oh, they left. Yeah. All right. So I'll just wait a little bit more.
What was it?
2 minutes.
What was the password? 6-7 or something?
No, there's no password now. No, it's just go in.
Oh no, there's no password.
Here, where's your stream?
OBS crashed.
Oh.
Rip.
Yeah,
My OBS has been crashing more lately. It's crazy. All right, free area.
yeah.
Free.
I kept dropping frames, so like okay, I'm gonna end it.
It has behaved lately. Lately, it has
All right.
behaved. There are moments
I'm
where
in.
it does what it wants, but it has been behaving lately.
Oh my god, who joined again?
Me? No, that's me.
No, it is you.
All right. Can we start, please?
You guys all ready?
Yep. Pull spans down. I'm ready.
Hold on, let me pour up.
All right. Don't pass out again now, Aritalk, okay?
I'll try not to. I
Don't
don't
pass
know.
out.
Skip the part,
please.
this part?
It's
Yeah,
the day
I
where
think
the
we should,
internet connection trolls
skip the
everyone.
Maybe it's Foul 2. It's been laggy. Maybe they're just.
Do you wanna? If it keeps lagging and all that. Oh, it's starting apparently. If it keeps lagging and it gives us a hard time, we'll switch to Outbreak File 1 then. Because people play this more than the first one, so servers might be more stressed out.
Skip her now.
Which is funny, considering there's not any streams. There's no Outbreak streams on Twitch or on YouTube, ever. It's just us that stream these games. Maybe Lord Rage, and that's it. You don't get to see many people streaming Outbreak on Twitch and on YouTube Gaming. It's just us, our little baby community.
A little bit.
It's true. There's not many people that stream this, and I thought that maybe not many people play it. But, you know, servers are always active. Even when you log into the website, even when you log into the OBSRV website, chat is always active. There's always people logged in talking. It's Dumbo! Give you my trunk, poink. Because people think Outbreak is dead. Yeah, people think Outbreak is dead. It's true. That is a fact.
To the citizens of Raccoon City.
That's Claire 2.0.
So, Ari Talk, what did you think of the fact that
That looks
Resident
like the city's
Evil,
zoo's rear gate.
Twitter and Facebook, they just
If a
changed
rescue
their
team's on
profile
the way
picture.
in,
They
better
made
hurry.
news out of it.
Yeah, I mean, I think it is a
But it
nod
looks
to
like I
a
should
new
check it
game at
out.
least. I don't know about RE2. Hopefully it is RE2, but
I think it's I think it's just a classic nod. I don't think it means anything. It's just a classic nod, and that's it. Honestly, that's what I think. People hyped all over the place when they saw that. It is a nod to the old. All right, so I'm here. I'm active. Ooh, there's first aid sprays for everyone. Look at that.
I'm just gonna take one.
Yeah, there's one for every person. Where's Cheer? Cheer.
I'm here.
Yeah, grab a first aid spray. Everybody get one. I'm gonna get my gun out. I hear zombies coming in. Alright, it doesn't look like it's lagging. So far, so good. At least for me. Alright, so we need to open this door first, right? This one over here?
I'll put the lock it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it this one over here?
I think my auto aim needs to be.
Oh, it's open. Hey, True! Lunch break hype! True, we miss you so much in this game. We miss you so much, True.
Like, where did you go?
I went inside the restaurant.
Oh wait, that's right. Alyssa can lockpick. Alright, let's go.
So useful.
Yeah, we're in
I'm
the-
the Jill that you guys never had.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
How are you, True? How's everything?
Hey, Drew.
You need to come back to this game. You need to buy a new computer or something. PC Master raised my ass.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buys a buys a gaming PC, plays Mario Kart 64.
That's what I would do. Well,
That's what True does. Oh man, I troll him so much.
Yeah. We missed Drew.
True. Tomorrow you and me. Tomorrow it's you and me, sucker. Oh, I opened the door. Nice. I got the bolt cutters.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. We're actually going into the restaurant now.
I am so good at this game. Did somebody just come in? I just heard the door open.
maybe.
Yeah.
I hear footsteps. Is it you, Monokuma? Hold me.
No.
There's a knife if you want here.
Got a shotgun.
Lol, my PC is above. It's not above. It's below average. Oh man, there aren't any zombies in this game.
Guys, who's better at picklocking, Alyssa, Jill, or Claire? Come on.
Well, Jill is the master, so.
Please.
Barry. Actually, it's Barry.
No, the master of unlocking is Vloggy. Because I just got the bolt cutters, I'm gonna make the difference.
Oh, actually, no, you're wrong.
I'm coming, guys, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh,
Gonna run around for a bit.
Whoa, zombie. Zombie! Zombie!
That's a song.
oh my God, that song.
I love songs.
Actually,
Hey, Vloggy.
just like that song.
Vloggy, here.
Yeah, I'm coming. I am. Where are you?
Hey, you!
I just
Oh,
passed.
I got bullets for you.
Oh, you can have these then. Thank you.
Oh, such bro love.
Wait, that's.
You can use those.
Good, drop that.
What's over here? What's this shiny thing over here?
Oh,
Is
it's
this a
the
lighter? Oh, I don't want it. Alright, let me just unlock the gate.
Yeah, I dropped the lighter.
We don't, does anybody know the combination?
Oh, no
Combination.
combination.
I just cut the thing with the bolt cutters. V4! Is this Animal Crossing? Yes, it is. Yes, but they got infected with the T virus. Vlog number one. No, it's Vloggy Karaoke. We need to do a Vloggy Karaoke soon. Oh man, it's very
May
cringy
as well
though,
have
just
a
so you
little
know.
fun while we're at it.
Did you see what he just said? Alright, did you get my cutscene? Did you get to see my character?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
Yeah, he's like, might as well have some fun while we're at it. Are you kidding me? So stupid. That's what he just said. He said, might as well have some fun while we're at it. Are you kidding me?
That's super exciting.
So lame. What the heck? You guys know the strategy if the elephant shows up? We go down the stairs?
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
Yeah, we do that. And if the elephant destroys these cards, there will be stuff hidden under them. Or inside them or whatever. Alright, so let's just go down the stairs since the elephant showed up.
Right, downstairs. What
Yeah,
stairs?
go down the stairs. Just follow me and you'll be safe. I am the way of life.
What?
See yourself,
Copy it.
fire.
Alright, run!
As I take a drink of my...
Oh, rip Cindy! This way, this way. Oh, it's not this way actually. Can I pick? I'm not gonna pick up the herbs after. Let's just leave. Let's just take off. Ah!
Yeah,
Follow me,
run.
Monokuma. Actually, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's take a right.
Not fair, how are you fast?
I don't even know if this is the right way. I could be leading you. Yeah, it should be fine.
I think it is.
Oh yeah, this is the right way. This is where we went to earlier today.
I called me.
Really, Vloggy? Close the door on my face. How rude.
Actually, look at this. Look at this, Monokuma. Since you're here, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Keep kicking it.
Oh,
Can you do that?
I can use the shotgun.
No, don't. Let's just keep kicking this cart. Judo chop. That wasn't anything though. It was a waste of time. Sorry.
Actually,
Oh, watch out! There's hyenas.
oh, there's a pipe.
I'm gonna go up the
Cheer.
stairs. I'm gonna take a right and go up the stairs. What are these? 45mm. Hold on.
Oh, that's a very
45.
special gun.
Yes, please. I'll take them.
Yeah, the 45 very special gun.
Everyone followed me, Vloggy, not you.
Oh. Well, I'm going the right way actually. So. Haha.
Did I just get a donation? Donation you came and see.
True. Yes, I am now a face cam streamer, but I ran out of USB slots today.
Wait,
Oh my god! Elephant, why are you trying to hurt me?
Wait a sec. You guys are in the same block as I. Ooh, you see what you get when you don't follow me? This is what you get when you don't follow me. You don't get a shotgun.
Well, we
okay,
got a
the
key.
Wait, what happened?
Right.
I'm like lost in my own thoughts.
Oh,
We must be on easy then, okay.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
we didn't have to be here. Yeah, we didn't have to be here, right?
Hello, everybody.
I think we need something later in here.
Is
Yeah,
everybody
we
here?
have to.
Did you guys pick up the key?
There's
Yeah, I
a
got the key.
there's a sweet herbage if you want it. Can I push the statue?
No.
No, you have to.
We need the,
The
we
middle.
need one more raccoon medal. Yo, tipster, hey.
Tipster. Tipster. I thought you said tipster. Hello,
Oh, God.
tipster.
Hey, everyone who just joined the streams, welcome.
Oh.
Welcome, welcome on everyone's stream.
Yeah, I did turn down the donation alert sound.
So, which way now? I'm gonna follow Ari Talk now, because Whoa!
Okay,
I went to the. Oh, I went to the east.
well, Cheer has the key, right? The elephant key?
Yeah, I have the key and I'm with the event.
What did you just get pushed back by? Oh, the elephant.
Wait, where are you?
We left you guys. We were like, Vloggy is not the way of life.
Oh,
But-
tipster,
but-
thank you so much.
Oh, I got the key.
Hurry up!
Oh,
Hurry up,
you
it's coming, it's coming, oh my god!
Giggity!
Oh my god, did you-
Giggity! It's
saw-
coming!
I saw
Giggity.
you, tipster, yeah, you looked pretty sick.
Oh no, the elephant's here. I hear him. Careful, guys. Careful.
Cheer, are you good?
Go down the stairs.
Cheer.
Go down the stairs. It's safe here. Go down the stairs over here.
I can't see anything.
This way is safe.
You know what was funny? It came running at cheering me, so I started running out. But I think I got cheered instead.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Did you get the key?
Yeah, I got the key, but I can't
Are these
see.
shotgun shells? Hold on.
Here, give me the key.
That's the green herb. Are these shotgun
No,
shells?
I got it, but
Oh, I'll take these.
Oh, he left. We're good.
I'll take
Oh,
these.
you wanted to scare me with the donation sound? I know, that's... Have you guys ever heard my donation? It's one of the scariest things.
oh,
So far.
is it?
Now all my alerts are from the guy that voices the Honest trailers. Hey you!
You guys want me to turn it back up? Is that... Oh my god, he's coming back!
go.
Holy crap! Are you gonna go through? Are you gonna go? Alright, you're all going through apparently. Ah! Oh my,
Oh my god, I can't
goodness!
get
I'm the
through.
only one that can't get through. Alright, I got through.
Okay, I went in.
Fudge! Okay, I got through.
Oh man.
Okay,
Alright, so this is... Alright, we need to go up. We go up. There's like a ladder or something here. We need to go
Yeah,
up.
there's a ladder here.
I
Just
remember
follow
that
me.
much.
I know the way.
Now, if the elephant comes in, we need to lock him inside. Monokuma,
Yeah,
where are
where's,
you? Catch up, please.
Never... Sorry, I was messing around with my...
Because if you fall behind, we'll lock you with the elephant.
You know what? I'm okay with that. It's nice and cute. I don't mind.
But he will...
Yeah, I think I had the flu a couple weeks ago.
Wait, is the rifle?
Needs
Where's
to
the
close...
rifle?
No need to close the gates right now.
Oh,
Do you want me to go down? Maybe I can lure the elephant in.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah, isn't the tape right there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Who played the music? The elephant's gonna show up if you play the music.
Yep.
Yeah. It just
Yeah, I
comes
know.
in automatically.
It stopped.
Oh, he's coming.
Elephant! Elephant, come in, please.
Get your big petunia butt.
Let's dance! Cheer!
Are you guys ready?
Dance with us, Monokuma, dance with us!
Sorry, I'm not a dancer.
Yeah.
Help! 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 Help me, please!
Maybe he's not around.
where's that?
Look at how you talk, dancing with us. Alright, you guys stay here. I'm gonna go dance downstairs. Maybe he'll come. Oh, he's coming! He's coming! Never mind. Alright, don't forget to lock him in now. Where is he? Where's the sucker?
Okay, yeah.
Come get us, sucker! And by the way, keep in mind that he can break
No.
the gate, alright? Alright, there we go. Keep in mind that he can break the gate.
Yeah, I know. And actually, we can kill him right now. Right?
What?
We can kill him. Can we?
I don't know. I think he would just die temporarily and then he'll come back or something.
Alright, so... That body dropped something, maybe a key or...
Yeah, how do we get down there now
oh.
from... How do we
Down,
get
we
down?
just go
Yeah.
down the stairs.
Alright.
We go downstairs and around.
Is it this way? Be careful of the birds. Of the bird is a word. Oh well, a bird. The bird is a word. I'm gonna go down.
Oh.
I'm gonna go down, see if I can get that key real quick.
Which key? Oh.
The thing that he dropped, the elephant. I'm gonna go get it. I unlocked it. What's a woozle shrew? What's a woozle?
Where's the...
Woozle. Maybe he means weasel? I don't know. You weasel. Alright, I got the key or whatever the thing is that he dropped. What did he drop? Let's see. He dropped... What? He dropped rifle rounds. That's it? That's what he dropped. Rifle rounds.
Oh yeah, because on easy, yeah, we just, I'm trying to think what we need to do. Maybe just
Oh.
find a...
Yeah, I know what we need to do. We have to... follow me. We have to go to the other side. With
I'll
the
join you guys, sure.
Alligator?
lion statue. Yeah. No, to the place with the lion statues.
Yeah, but the place with the lion statues is pointless right now because we don't have the emblems.
No, that's where we get the second key.
Ah, okay. So where do I go from here? I saw you guys going up. Are you still up? Let's see.
Yeah, we're still up.
Okay, coming.
Even though he didn't have to go up. He
I
just
went
had to
down
go
because I
around.
thought he dropped the key or something, but it's just rifle ammo he dropped.
Yeah, I think it's on the harder
Oh, no, no.
difficulty because he has a key or something. He has like a plate or.
It's funny how if there's 4 difficulties, there's like 4 ways to play this game.
Yeah, I'm.
What is this? Gazette.
Cheer.
What?
Are you going alone?
No, I'm just gonna wait for you here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the buttons.
Yeah, I think on easy we don't really have to solve many puzzles.
Hey, Jasmina, welcome! Welcome. Nice
Uh,
to see you, girl.
Wait, are you gonna go? Are you dark?
Sure.
Okay, go get Jason.
There's 5 actually, yes. Easy, normal, hard, and no. Very
I'm
easy.
very hard.
Ah, Nightmare. I forgot about Nightmare, yes. I forgot about Nightmare.
No.
Alright, I have no idea
No,
where you
there's
guys are.
No, we're at the lakeside.
So it must be downstairs then. Hold on.
Yeah, we went downstairs.
Okay.
I made
to
it to the
pla-
other side.
I must have missed
To
you
the
guys.
Oh, I
Yeah,
got
we
a
went
rat.
to the other side.
I'm
Yeah,
coming, I'm
the
coming.
opposite. You know where the bees are, right?
Oh, stupid birds. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. So you
Yeah,
went
you go
into
down
the
to the
area
car.
with the... Where there's the bees or something, right?
Yes, yes.
The terrarium, okay.
Now, yeah, then we got to the lake.
Please don't bite me. I'm not good. I don't take long.
I come
Yeah,
to see the
forward.
stream and I play Assassin's Creed. Ah, Assassin's Creed, very nice. Oh, stupid bees. Get out of my way, suckers. Oh, come on, really?
Oh, I hope this doesn't crash.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna cross now.
Which Assassin's
to
Creed
fix
are you
my
playing,
screen.
Jasmina?
Right, filters.
Yeah,
Did I
I
get
seem like
poisoned?
it just come in.
Yeah, I got poisoned. Of course I got poisoned.
I think there's a. Oh,
Oh,
there's a
shit.
blue herb.
Yeah, I found it. Yeah, I found it. Alright, so, where are we now? Where do I... Alright, are you guys next to the alligator? Oh, there you are. Alright, I'm coming.
Yeah, we just swim past one.
I'm swimming, guys! I'm swimming! The water is cold!
Hey, Ian.
Alright, hopefully that looks better, guys.
Time to skinny dip. Oh my goodness, the alligator! Whoa, 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 whoa. Why don't you kill the alligator, guys? Kill it.
Oh, I didn't know you could kill him.
Yeah. Should I
Just watch the bullets.
I'm gonna kill him. I don't care. It's fun. I'm gonna sneeze, though. I'm gonna sneeze. I think I'm gonna
Bless
sneeze.
you.
Hold on. Bless my face.
Hey,
Bless you.
yeah, that's
Yeah, I kick you in the face. Come get it.
True that, yeah. Cosmo Kramer.
Really? There's no bullets in this? Not bullets.
Are you guys up? Did you guys go up the stairs, or...?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went up.
There should be a hunting rifle, right?
Yeah, I got it.
We got it.
Hey, there's a blue herb here. I also have a fully mixed with, herb.
Oh, there's a medal here. Should I take it?
Oh, I already have a medal, but yeah.
No,
take-
no, he grabbed my leg. Oh, I kicked him in the face.
Are you still with the alligator?
Yeah, I'm not gonna... I'm gonna stop it.
Rocket plane.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, rocket plane Tarzan.
Alright, no, I'm gonna chill now, cause...
I'm coming for you, Vloggy.
Vloggy of the jungle.
Oh, what the? No, stop! Don't do it! Don't you do Ooh.
I don't wanna kill this alligator, though.
No, don't do it, don't do it.
This
don't do
is
it,
the
don't do it.
DJ alligator.
I don't know what we do after this. Oh, dang. Oh my. He's coming for me.
Hey, we got him. Rip. We got him.
Go under.
Thanks. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Thanks.
Front and center!
Guys, we need to do a Left 4 Dead game.
Alright, where do we go now? I'm gonna take Zerbage real quick.
Look, it's the little tiger, or whatever. I'm sorry for you. Oh,
Oh, did you crawl in?
yeah, I got my boot. But
What, you
Stop
crawled
it.
in, what?
Cue the thanks song. Remember the thanks song? Thanks, 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 thanks.
Uh-oh, I might die.
Where are you? Oh, no, you won't die.
So, did you guys go through the hole or something? Yeah, did you guys
Yeah.
go through this hole?
Help, I'm playing tag with the...
Come over here. Through this hole.
Okay, I'll pick up the key. Oh my god, it's coming for me. Dude.
I hear you guys. I'm coming. Do you need help? I'm here. I'm here, guys. I'm here. I got him.
Kill it. What's that way?
I'm calling
It's
Peter.
dead.
My gun is empty.
What? Oh, no, he's up. Uh-oh.
Dude, I don't know how many rifle ammo. Really?
Oh, my gun is empty. Hold on, let me reload.
Oh, poor baby, it's dead.
Did he die?
Dead now.
Hey, why are you biting me?
Oh, baby.
Yeah, baby. Alright, so you guys picked up the key, right? I'm not gonna pick it up.
I got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so what do we do now? Where do we go from here?
We go back.
We go back. Alright, you guys lead the way. You guys are the way of life, apparently. I'm
Well,
old news.
we have the medals. Maybe, I think you have to use the medals back at the office.
Yeah, we have to. But
Oh,
we
did
need
you
to
find the
fix
raccoon medals?
I have one, and Cheer, I think, has one.
Okay.
Yeah, I have one. So I think
Yeah.
we need like 7 for that.
Sorry, guys, you can make
Wait, can we get out of this way?
it. Here's another medal.
Whoops.
Okay, good.
Oh,
We have to go up. Hold on.
Thanks for telling me,
Give me a
Jack.
second.
What's up there?
Oh,
We have
man.
a rifle. We have it.
Guys?
Go out there.
I hear something.
They found-
Whoa! 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 Careful!
What?
Oh, no.
no, this door's locked.
Yeah, I think we have to go back.
Baby, come back.
Watch out!
Oh, that was a good. I wouldn't want to go up there. I'll kill it if you want it. I only have two rifle ammo though.
Oh, I got the medal. So we got 3 medals now.
If we're on easy, we might only need the one.
Somebody help me, please!
Oh no.
Alright, he's dead. Rip. Alright.
I was gonna say, Vloggy, I'll come save you.
Too little, too late.
Oh, shotgun. What? Shotgun.
Shotgun? Oh, no, I have a shotgun. I just
No,
need
in the-
ammo for shotgun.
Right here.
So, where do we go
Oh.
from here? I know, Jack. I made a boo-boo.
Oh.
I'm going back through the hole. I'm gonna go back to the office.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to go back. We'll go back to the office. There's an elegant door. I think it is.
Where's Miss Monokuma? I hear ladder. Oh, there you are. Is there anything up there?
Yeah. No.
Wait,
Let's go.
so you both went back, right?
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
I forgot where the hall is. Oh,
I always play with Kevin, because I like him. Because I fancy Kevin. No, because I don't know. I think I choose Kevin because he's very reminiscent of Resident Evil 2 Leon. With the
Alright,
uniform and stuff.
Monokuma, you have the alligator key.
Isn't it this way?
Well, there's a door over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
wait, so we have to go back.
Yeah, it'll come out right here. The office is right around the corner, I think.
Oh,
Put the medals in.
Where's Cheer?
oh, I'm coming.
Actually,
that?
honestly, Jack, I think that Kevin's uniform is better than Leon's. Leon is long sleeve. Kevin's is short sleeve. I prefer short sleeve. Whoa.
Actually, they're both.
Yeah,
Actually,
but Leon's better looking than Kevin, so.
No, I prefer Leon. I prefer Kevin's. I mean, prefer Kevin's.
no,
I love the
think
music in here.
There's some handgun bullets for me there, I think. But I have the medal. Or actually, Miss knows.
Where's Cheer? Cheer.
I'm playing with the hyena.
Come inside.
Come
There's
inside.
no-
Where? Where?
Any entrance will lead you to the same building.
Oh, you mean the office?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Here I come.
When do you get scared? Why? Probably the hard stuff.
Oh, so you can push it. Or is it just now?
That what
I think you need to push it some more. Oh, there we go. Oh, man,
Ah,
rifle
yes.
ammo.
Is this rifle ammo? Wait.
Where? I'll take it.
Here, over
The
here.
office.
Vloggy just took it.
No, I didn't. I didn't. Over there.
Wait, where's the red emblem? We need the red emblem.
Yeah.
Hey!
I think I know where. Oh.
Death by donation.
I think we need 2 more medals.
You need 3 more. Oh,
No, 2 more. I think it's over here. Here. This is where the medal is, I think.
I don't know. I have no idea now. I'm lost.
Okay, so.
Oh no. We need to. Hold on.
This
Yeah,
key is
when-
useless, right? There's no need for me to pick up this key.
Yeah, that's the. What key?
That's the
Elephant key.
elephant
Yeah, that's
key.
the elephant key. We
Yeah,
already
we just
used
did
that.
that.
Okay.
Where are you guys?
We went to the other side, front.
Oh.
Did you guys pick the one up where the bees are? I think it was gold.
I just went through just to get to the alligator area, but I didn't investigate the area really.
No, I think there's rifle ammo. Oh,
Actually,
maybe shotgun.
this might come in handy.
I don't think it will.
Well, there's a door that you can open with the bolt cutters.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, we were by it with that other lion with the stage, but I don't know if we need it or not. But that's where I'm gonna go.
I'm following you. I
I'm
got
with
your
you,
back, buddy.
Willow.
Good
Chase
luck,
right down
then.
there.
You're the brain, I'm the muscle.
Yeah.
The what are the what?
The brain, I'm the muscle. Watch out! I'll just tell you to watch out, mostly.
Help me!
I know, right?
Help me!
Help me!
Help me! Help!
Where are we? We're at the very beginning. Where Cindy is. Hello, dead lady.
Ah, you're at the beginning then.
Yeah, we went to the south.
Ooh, whoa, how did he get in here? Don't you dare move. Ooh!
Oh, where are you going?
I'm gonna kick him.
You're going back?
I'm gonna go to the beach real quick.
Yeah, I think it's faster this way.
Oh, well, I'm already.
Oh yeah, I guess we could have gone that way.
How do I keep hearing?
Have you guys been up here? Upstairs? Up here? Over here?
Yeah, they went up and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but we didn't do the puzzle.
Actually, I think it's this. Okay, yeah, it's this way.
But
This
we've
was
been
where
there,
the
no,
stage.
we've been there,
was.
yeah?
This was. Yeah, but there was a stage, right? There was
Let me come with you.
I'm trying to remember.
Oh,
Yo, I got it. I got something.
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
Oh, rifle rounds. Really? That's what the guy dropped? Oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
please don't break open. If you break open, I'm gonna cry. Please don't. I'm gonna cry.
You see, even though we killed the lion, it's still there, dead. It's still there, and it's still like twitching. So it's not completely dead.
It's a twitcher.
It's twitching.
Alright, where am I?
Oh man, it's on the other side. The chains are on the other side to open it. Damn it.
Alright, so
So I
there's
always thought.
so
I
there's
wonder
no
if we
point.
can bust this. Well, we might be able to bust this door open. I'm not sure. Can we?
wait. Where are you guys?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're back at the lion's area.
Yeah.
The
Nah, it
stage.
won't
Yeah.
Oh, the stage.
you guys didn't pick this
No.
up. That's
Hold on
why.
a sec. What about this? What does this do?
I found a medallion. Oh, no, stop. I hate bees. Help. Help. Oh, God.
Help me, please!
I don't think that's gonna open.
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Does anybody have, I'm
Sorry,
lost.
Bloggy.
What?
Yeah, it doesn't open. I thought this would.
No, it's
It
fine.
wouldn't even. Ugh.
Alright, I got one medallion.
You got a medallion.
Alright, we just need one more then, I guess.
No, since
Oh
we're
my
playing on
God.
easy, I think the first one's already in place. I think because we're playing on easy. Let me
Yeah,
check
the
real
blue.
quick.
I saw the
No,
blue
no.
one.
There you
Does
go.
anybody have anything for poison?
So we're done then. I think we're done then. Let me just go back.
Wait, did you get the red one?
Yes.
So if she got the red one, we're done. We're pretty much done because.
Oh, you did get the red one. Oh.
Yeah. So because the first one would be in place already. Let me just check real quick.
Yeah, the blue
Yeah,
one
the-
is side in the statue.
Yeah, I confirm.
didn't
Yes,
think that.
I'm looking at the blue one right now. It's in its place. So let's just all meet here over here, where the lions are, and we're done.
Yeah, because this one has.
I'm gonna look around see if
Oh,
there's
I was
some ammo
going
or
back to
something.
the office. I'm poisoned. I need
Just wants to know how to activate the fire extinguishers in Outbreak 2. Does anybody know? I don't know.
help.
Does anybody know anything about the fire extinguishers in Outbreak File 2? Which scenario are you talking about?
No.
But what are you? Who's in the office now?
No one. I'm going through the alligator.
Because I'm near the office.
Anybody have an antidote?
I'm such an Outbreak noob. Sorry.
I'm Outbreak File 2 noob, huh? So
I don't know. Any.
What scenario is fire? The fire?
Status report.
Yo, Alex.
status
Yeah,
report.
yeah.
Thank you.
Oh
Time to
my
go.
god, no! What was that?
Thanks.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Thanks.
Go, 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 go,
I
go,
think
go.
I'm lost.
Go.
I'm lost.
Help.
So what you need to do is you need to take the terrarium area where there was the bees, and then you need to crawl through that space.
Yeah, I know, but where is it? I'm in the east side.
I think I know where it is. We need like. Oh wait, that door's not locked. If you go, okay. See, you guys don't have the red emblem, right? Or do you?
I have silver.
No.
No,
We
no.
don't have. We need the red emblem, don't we, Vloggy?
Yeah, the red emblem.
She has the red emblem already. Apparently, she found it.
Yeah, we need the medals for that.
Ah, we're not gonna need them. We're not gonna need them. This
Yes,
is
we
the
do.
end of the game. No, we just put the last emblem over here and we're done.
Yeah, but we need the medals for to get the emblem.
Vloggy, they're saying they don't have the red emblem.
Oh,
I have silver.
I thought
No,
you guys
that's
said
not-
we found the red one.
Come on.
No. The red one is in the picture
Oh,
I
in
think.
the office.
I think I know where to go now. I think I looked in the map and the door's not locked, so I'm gonna just
Someone.
try my best.
I
you
don't
have
know
an
to be honest with
antidote,
you,
please
Jack.
check
I
the
don't know. I
office.
never finished the underbelly scenario. Never. So maybe I'll play it today.
Wait, underbelly. Which one is that?
The one with the underground. Oh, come on, dude. Let me go. Help me.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice shot.
Wait, there's no zombies now, right?
See,
Oh, I'm gonna
on
die.
easy, this door I'm going to is not locked. It usually is locked. I think that's what I got tripped up with. I was trying to find the lion key, but I don't think we need a lion key.
Antidote.
Um,
First aid. Anything. I don't care. I'm gonna die in a minute.
Alright.
I have some healage if I meet you.
yeah, I have a full heal with blue herb.
Meet us
We're
somewhere.
going
Meet us
Yeah,
somewhere.
we're
We're
in-
in a very dangerous area right now, I think.
I mean, oh, I'm in the red. I am.
I remember I seen antidote.
I don't remember where. Is that first aid?
Yeah, first aid. Take it.
It is locked.
Can we just bust it open?
Maybe.
No, it doesn't even move.
Where is it?
Doesn't even move. Nothing. No, when it doesn't even move, we can't open it.
The map, it showed it yellow, and it probably was because I didn't check the door yet.
Alright.
That ticks me off.
I have no
No
idea.
one's been over to that.
I think we do need the medals. We do need one more medal.
Yeah,
then.
I think so too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we do.
Where could it be?
It's not where. It's not this way for sure though. I think. Well, let's try.
I know you said you have one, somewhat of Cheer or Monokuma.
Koma has one.
Okay.
I already put it in.
Oh, there's Cheer.
Yeah, she's
Hey,
the
cheer. Maybe it's behind these. Maybe if I destroy these.
I don't know. You just want an excuse to destroy these things.
Yes. It's not here.
Alright,
Maybe it's
I'm
behind
looking
this
for that
one.
Blue herb.
I think you can push these actually. Can we push these? Hold on.
Blue herb.
No, no push. Ah, what a letdown. Yeah, baby. Alright, there's nothing though.
You need the mixer?
Yeah.
Oh, I know where we can find two, Vloggy.
Hey, you!
We can find what?
Thing.
Two of these breakable things. Follow me.
David!
Yeah, there's two in here.
I'd rather find the freaking medals right now.
There's an office upstairs past.
Oh,
The option
no, 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 no.
station.
Wait.
Hold on. Maybe it's over here. Let me just check real quick. Hold on. Maybe we didn't know first. I'd go to the storage room. According to Bill, go to the storage room and the electric breaker puzzle. Get the duct tape from the inside. But I think.
Wait.
No, but I
Do we
think.
open the Wait, do we open the elevator door?
The thing is, Bill, the puzzles are all different depending on the scenario, on the difficulty of the scenario. So, did you Google it on easy? 'Cause that is the thing. What about this? What about this puzzle over here? What's this? There's a button. Push it. I pushed the button.
Hey!
I cannot hit those for the life of me.
I don't know what this does, but
I'm going up to the office if you're not there.
Yeah, I'm actually behind you.
I'm in the terrarium right now, doing the puzzle with the. I don't know if this is gonna work though.
With the light? Oh, with the lights.
With the lights, yeah, where there's like I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, you have to just turn 3 lights on.
Shotgun rounds.
There's- Something.
What's all this?
On.
The heck is it?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Max.
Wait, will you open the elevator door?
Yes. The alligator door just was right past the alligator, and it goes to the office again. It goes to that area.
Did you just get past the alligator area?
No, we're not.
Yeah.
We're above the elephant now.
Alright, no, I'm at
I'm
the
just-
alligator
I'm-
area right now. Maybe we missed something, maybe we missed the room or something, I don't know.
There's a locked place.
I'm looking at my map. I think I've gone everywhere. It's just that one locked area.
Which one? The left one.
In the lower left corner. I think that's where the red emblem is. But it's the doors are locked by a lion key. So
Fine.
I think we need another medal. Cause Cheer, you said we needed 2 more or 1 more.
We need
2 more. Well, 1 more. Done. The map. Oh,
God dang it.
we got birds on one side, bees on the other, and the elephant.
Yeah, you solved the bee puzzle and it was just rifle ammo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you get from the bee puzzle anyway? What did you get?
It was rifle ammo.
Ugh. That's not good. Let me just go back here real quick. I'm revisiting the areas. Oh, doggo! Don't do that again. Don't do it again, Mr. Doggo.
I'm gonna go break some stuff.
You go do that. You go do that. You're angry. Just get your anger out. No, it's mine.
Alright, I went
Oh, you
down
can
the
have
whole
it.
place, but I didn't
Oh,
find
you can
anything.
have it. I have.
Hey, Luca.
Oh my
What?
god, you gotta be kidding me.
What
I
happened?
found
What?
it. I found
What?
it. I found him.
Wait, where are you?
I'm in the lion place. It was right by the second line statue.
Okay, we'll meet you in the office, I guess.
I
Did you
was,
find it?
across the- Yeah. I
Where
was
was it
across
again?
The whole thing. In the lion's place where we killed the one lion. It was
But-
on one of the little statue things.
Really?
I
Wow.
don't know how to do that.
Alright, we'll meet at the office then, just like Ari Talk said, we'll meet there.
Wait, isn't there a locked locker there? Near the office?
I don't know. Is there?
Yeah.
I like your
yeah,
accent.
there
I
is.
never say it to you. Oh, Jasmine, you're so sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, there is. Near the stairs.
Whoa.
I love how we're all looking everywhere.
Ah! Alright, we're good. We're safe. We are safe. I'm in the office. Is anybody else in the office?
No, there's one.
What's this over here? 45. 45. So it's good. It's good for my gun, right? I'm always confused. Vloggy, I like your cookies. I never say it to you. I'll it says 40. No, it says 9mm. I'm pretty sure it said whatever. Did you just take my no, nothing. Monokuma! What you doing here?
Oh, sorry, I was looking at Discord.
You were checking my butt.
Oh,
You were checking out my butt.
like I said, Alyssa, if anything, would be Leon. Not that Kevin. Why are you barricading it?
Did you see that?
Trying to go in it, and it's like, oh.
Did you see how I got pushed back? Anybody else in the office, or is it just us?
Go.
Oh, there is everybody here.
Oh, wow,
Where's Ari Talk?
tries to shoot us.
Where's Ari Talk?
Really? Are you blocking the door?
Very funny, Ari Talk.
Oh my god.
Very funny.
Oh
I
my
thought
god.
it was a zombie. I thought it was a zombie. Oh, I think you have to
Somebody
put
stand on
that.
one. Somebody stand. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Wait, what is that?
Rifle ammo.
What?
Oh, there's
oh,
6 of them.
Did we get rifle ammo again?
Wait,
Yes.
everybody.
Alright, I said it as a joke. I can't believe that is true.
I swear, if you're... I'll break this door down. I'll break it down.
I'm just gonna look it up at this point.
wait, what's the W's?
Lucky!
What?
Stop holding the door back.
No, I'm not anywhere near the door.
Yeah, right.
You're the only one out of this room.
No, I'm at the elephant's area.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot the door down.
Wait, hold on.
Oh shoot, I missed the door.
Oh, this what does that door mean? What does that mean?
Wow, he's strong.
Yo, this is why I don't like Kevin. Help! We're trapped. I wanna get out.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
welcome, guys. You're welcome. Oh,
Look
Ari
what
Talk's
happened
pipe
to
is
my
bent.
Iron pipe here. It's all.
Your iron pipe is bent.
Hey,
Thank
sir,
you.
I know you're hurt, but like, can you tell us how to get the poop out of? Not there.
Hold on.
It's in there. First aid.
Okay, so we're back to square one. We have no idea where the next method is, right?
This
We
is
did
not
all this for
working.
nothing.
I'm trying to look it up, but I hate websites are not good at like.
Make sure when you look it up, look up for the easy guide, because
Yeah.
there's different, you know.
We probably have to do something
No.
with the line. There was a blank tape. And there
We
was
must have
another
missed something.
circus tape.
Oh wait, did we not turn on the lion stage, or did we?
Yeah, I turned it.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Wait. There's a red door in the map. What does it mean?
A red door means locked.
Probably
It's
locked,
locked.
And yellow.
Yellow means you haven't gone through it.
Heart-
But we
Actually,
can't, we,
Yellow
Can't go
also
back.
means you haven't checked it either, because I thought it was unlocked because it was yellow, but then it turned red because I checked it, and then it was locked.
Well, the door to the office is yellow.
Yeah, because I see like a yellow door at the bottom of the map.
Yeah, that's where Cindy's dead. I already I'm like, ah!
What's going on?
Oh my god.
Ah! I'm getting my butt touched. Help! 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 Oh my god. I forgot that the thing was there.
You need to stick with me, Monokuma, right? These muscles aren't just for show.
I think they are.
You need help? Oh wow, you seem to be injured. You need help. Healage? Yeah,
Oh
you
wait,
do.
no, I'm just bleeding. I'm just bleeding.
No, but I think you're also on danger.
No, no,
Go.
no. It's all green.
I think she's
Maybe it's
poisoned.
fine.
Come, I save you. I save you.
Is there anything that I could say go away?
Hey, come on.
You talk too much. Bye.
Game facts.
What is this over here? Is this a healing item or something? What's this?
Yeah, I'm good. I knew I was good. I'm fine.
No, you're fine. Good, good. Actually, Cheer is on red caution. You need to be careful, buddy.
I want to
Alright,
go back to the lion. I feel like
I'm gonna scout the area again one more time. I'm gonna look around.
Done.
Whoever finds the medallion wins.
Alright, red emblem found in Show Animals boarding house. To get it, restore the power in the office. Operate the forklift.
Nani?
I'm trying to make sure that. Oh no, that's on
Sorry.
normal.
I hit the mic. Sorry about that.
What? Single player normal. I don't want single player normal, for God's sake. This thing only has for normal and very hard. Okay, that's not helpful.
Alright, I don't like the bees. I'm gonna go back.
Doo-doo.
I'm getting annoyed.
Oh.
Can't believe I can't find the last emblem. How is this happening?
Ouch! Please stop. No.
Like, maybe I should look up to find the lion key actually first.
Probably.
Lion key.
The Lion King.
The Lion King.
I know, it's not like I'm saying Lion King. Alright, lion key.
Hello, little kitty. Are you dead?
Locations. Appears accepted very hard. Oh my god, again.
What is this? An
Where the
antidote?
door leading to Service Road is already unlocked.
But the
No.
gate is locked. Can we go to the zebras then?
All these guides don't. They have normal, hard, very hard. They don't have easy. What am I? This is so weird.
I'm gonna have to look it up myself. Because I'll use my super googling skills. Let me see.
Alright.
Hold on.
All right.
Let me try
I'll
it.
start it.
So, outbreak.
Wait, this is saying the red emblem. It says close the gates in the 11th stage. We did that. It's not there. Activate the crane. Oh my
Locations.
God.
Easy.
Right, I'm
Close
gonna-
the gates to the elephant stage. The power is already turned on when it's easy mode. So close the gates in the elephant stage. Yeah.
We did that.
Easy mode. Close the gate in the elephant shade. The power is already on to the 2 when
Yeah, we
in
did
easy
that.
mode.
So
Well, we
what?
closed the gate. Yeah.
That's where the red emblem is though.
No.
So
What
it's at the
all we got?
elephant stage.
All right, maybe we
Did
missed it.
someone pick up the red emblem and drop it? Just FYI, like just in
don't think I
case.
did.
You remember picking it up?
No, I mean what I saw falling down was. Let me just go there.
Oh
I'm
my
close by. I'm gonna go real quick.
Who's gonna get their butt touched today?
I'm gonna go check out the elephant. I'm
Oh my
gonna check
god,
out-
she came through.
maybe it's on the other side of the gate. I don't know. Next to the elephant. Let me just check.
I have a feeling it's with the elephant.
Let me check the
Oh,
other
like
side.
in the gate?
Nah, I'm gonna go check the gate, but the other side where the elephant is.
Oh lordy.
I might get tracked a little bit, but
I know, right?
actually I think the elephant's gonna ignore me.
Alright, I'm going to the stage.
Yeah, I'm on the inside of of the stage, but there's
I
nothing.
don't remember how to get there.
It's like the top part of the map, or on the right side of the map. Top part.
There's
or
that.
I'm at
northeast.
I'm by the beach. Where I'm at.
Definitely nothing here. Let me just go on the other side again.
Oh my lord. I'm on the other side.
Alright, I'm coming, guys. Don't worry.
Wait, where is...
Oh, I see you. I see you. Look, I see you. I'm next to the elephant. Hello. But the elephant isn't harmless right now. He's not attacked. Whoa! Okay, never mind. What just happened?
What happened? Oh,
You
got out.
okay.
No freaking way. It just happened now when I happened to be next to him.
Good job, Block.
I didn't do anything. I was just there.
It's all Vloggy's fault.
It's enough. Well, actually, thank you, elephant. It takes me the time to go around to get to next to where you talk now. I just can. Thank you.
Yeah, now
elephant.
it's after me.
All right. So where's the emblem?
It wasn't by the dead guy. I don't know. Oh,
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Whoa! I'm gonna go up the ladder. I'm gonna go up the ladder.
God, what is this button for?
Yeah, there's nothing by the dead
I'm up the ladder. Maybe it's a glitch. I don't know. I'm gonna sneeze now.
Bless you.
Sorry.
Yeah, wouldn't this be funny if it's a glitch, this whole thing?
Oh my god, I would be sad. It's a little.
I don't know.
Scour the area.
It-
Alright, I'm going lone wolf now to figure this out.
Uh-oh, look who it is. You're not a lone wolf, because I'm here.
Okay. I think I explored all these stupid birds.
They're coming for you.
The elephant took off. It's no longer here.
Okay, supply room. What's a supply room?
I'm gonna get
I got a
poisoned
special
now.
item. If we ever beat it.
I don't get it. Maybe it's a glitch. How is it that we didn't find the emblem? According to the guide, it should be here.
Remember, guys, it's red.
It is red.
So if you see something red, click on it.
Wait, I don't see. The bee puzzle wasn't solved on my end. It doesn't look like it's solved.
I don't know.
Yeah, the bee puzzle wasn't solved. I'm poisoned. Give me the serum.
Oh, I'm poisoned too.
Hold on. Elephant.
Who's playing the music? Who's playing the music?
Wait. They're all lit up. Or no. Okay. So this one.
Is somebody pushing the button to play the music?
My,
It's you.
Ouch.
I thought it was a
I'm
monster.
poisoned. I need... Why did I have this
I
tape?
think I got it.
Where?
It was in the bee room in the
Oh, sh...
So, you completed the bee puzzle?
the bee puzzle wasn't solved.
Yeah, I tried solving it, but I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't understand what's supposed to be done.
All right, guys, got the red emblem.
Alright, I'm getting out of here. I'll see you. Well, let's all meet next to the next to the square where the lions are. We'll all meet there.
Oh, you should come back out. It's easier going this way.
Nah, it's this way.
Well, I told you,
Why?
Vloggy. You
What?
have to like
Oh,
I
I'm
told
going
you,
this
you
way.
have to like everything there. But bee puzzle. You have to like to turn the lights on.
I tried to do that, but I just couldn't understand what. So all of them need to be
Oh,
on.
Yeah,
All
all,
three.
all three.
Yeah.
I switched a couple. I switched a couple of them on, but I don't know. I don't know.
No, there's like three
Oh.
panels. You have to turn them on.
Did I get poisoned? Crap!
Oh, no worries. I have two antidotes.
I need one.
I spoke first. I'm kidding.
Actually,
Wait,
Malcolm
there
was
should be a
spoke
blue
first.
herb up here. Oh my
But
god.
I have two, so I can give it to you. Well,
All right, let's all meet next to the lions where the lions are. We'll just hang there.
Shut up.
Oh!
Alright, screw this.
Get me out of here. What is this?
Tyrants are overrated.
You guys didn't get the emblem!
What?
Why do I have it?
No, because
Why
key items can be picked up by everyone. Everybody can pick up
oh
a key
my
item.
God, is it so... I have no room. No.
Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm in the front gate plaza. So I'm right here.
Hey!
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm coming.
Except I'm
What?
poisoned.
Oh, no worries. Where are you?
I'm almost there.
Where'd you go?
No.
Wait,
Get
what
out of
is
here.
this?
What's going on? What the heck? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me?
No.
Where are you?
Son of a
Near
biscuit.
near the lion.
Wait, where's the Alan?
Oh, the alligator's still there, but it's dead, I think.
Yeah. Can you see me?
Yeah.
That's you.
No, I was talking to Vloggy and...
Yeah, I'm almost there. Almost there. Just I was just getting attacked by a hyena and a bird. I'm almost there.
Thank you.
Whew! I made it. I'm here.
Okay,
Long, I bet I beat you there.
he has the antidote.
Yes, please. Yes. I'm dying.
Oh,
no.
you're just being dramatic.
I'm actually I'm poisoned.
Oh wait, here.
Hey,
Say
you.
it,
Here, Vlog.
I'll
Are
take
Take
you-
it, take it.
You.
Are you?
Oh, take it. Take it.
Thank you.
Take my emblem.
Ah, thank you.
Okay. Oh wait, I have shotgun ammo. Who's got the shotgun? Oh wait,
Oh,
I have a
wait,
shotgun.
Thank you.
wait,
someone.
Thank you.
I must have dropped it or something, or maybe I gave it to you. All right. Let's go.
Oh wait, I wish we
Let's
had
go.
Well, I'm the only one who doesn't.
hold on.
It's happening. It's happening. We're getting out of here.
Better be ready to run.
All right, you guys ready?
Wait,
I have no bullets, or I have like 10 bullets. That's all I got.
I have 20 plus shotgun shells. So
All right,
have,
I'll just sit back.
yeah, you just stay safe.
Yeah, I have 56 handgun ammo.
I'm ready.
Combine. I'll
think
start
we're
with
gonna
I'll start
find
with the handgun. All right.
I think we're gonna find the
We're about to
elephant,
do
right?
this. We're about to do this.
Good luck, guys. I'm out.
You're
Of
dead?
course, it's the elephant again.
I'm a dip.
Sometimes it's the elephant, sometimes it's the lion. I don't understand.
No, if we get it before the elephant, you know, directly, we get the lion. Well, it depends on when do we get here.
It seems like Jumanji. Jumanji. Resident Jumanji. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Careful now.
I can't see anything.
Ah, you're back and I'm out of eight.
I can't see anything either. The camera angles right now is very awful.
I'm hitting.
Oh, there's first aid here.
I'll take a herbage because I'm. Oh no, I can't see anything! Alright, I picked it up. Nice. Alright. Now I'm gonna get a nice view. This is a good view. Shotgun. Oh, nice. It wasn't me. It
Oh,
wasn't
there
me.
you go.
I think it was Cheer.
Yeah, I told you I dipped out.
Okay.
Literally, I went all the way on the other side.
BRB for me, just
Rip Dumbo.
No, not
it's
Dumbo.
it's not Dumbo. It's Zombo.
Zimbo.
Dumbo's mom.
Don't worry, guys. He was already dead. All right. We just made sure he stays dead. All right. So I think we just need to get inside the train now. There we go. Ah, I love this music. I really love this music.
It wasn't a bad part of town, really. Even a good-for-nothing son of a bitch like me might be able to get a few jollies there. I shouldn't have allowed myself
After
to
an
think
hour and
like
30
that.
minutes of us trying to complete this. Finally made it.
This gave me the impression that there's more
It was
to the
no
game,
time
but
to think of
it's
having
just
fun.
being dramatic.
How much?
How much what?
Oh, this is what it means. This is what it means basically. They tried to get to the chopper now. They tried to get to the chopper, and apparently the chopper crashed. There's a bunch of zombies around it, so it means this was it really.
Wait, is this the chopper that the Nemesis destroyed?
I'm not so sure.
Oops, what happened?
We all died.
Yeah, we all live.
Oh,
We all
died.
did it, hey.
I didn't realize I had to still get on the train.
Oh my god, look at that TV. It's on sale, guys. You think we should buy it? You guys think it's gonna cost
Nice
money?
one. Alright, so on easy, rank E. Oh my goodness, an E rank. What about you guys? Did you get an E rank as well?
Yeah, A rank.
E rank for everybody. You get an
No,
E
I got
rank.
the
You
best
get an E rank. Everybody get an E rank.
So what should we do now?
Now we can either
No.
play Wild Things again on a harder difficulty, or we can go to the next scenario. It's up to you guys. I don't care.
I say we move to the next.
Let's move to the next
just-
scenario.
Give
Yeah,
me a
I've had
second.
my fill of this one.
Yeah, give me a second, cause it crashed on me.
Oh noes.
Yeah, I did save, so I got the point.
I kind of want to go back and go get cost.
Hmm?
I don't know how many.
Alright, so I'm gonna create a room. Alright.
Alright?
And what I'm gonna do is hold on. Alright, so
Create a...
Do-do-do-do-do.
And I think, on at least on my side, for future times I play Outbreak, I'm definitely gonna like open it up just for anyone that wants to.
join.
Yeah, because I had some people asking me about it, so
Sure.
I figured, sure. It's just the one requirement. It's like we have to do voice on Discord because
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's too hard to not have voice. So
Alright, the next scenario is Underbelly actually. Do you wanna go with Underbelly?
Let's go.
Don't forget to change the difficulty.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I was looking at your stream. I'm like, don't do whatever.
No, we're okay.
okay, thanks, Max. Thank you.
So number of players, 10 minutes. Alright, so password is 1, 2, 3, 4, alright? The room is ready. It's called Stream. Log in please, previous comment. No, the chopper crashed because infected on board when it was flying. Oh, how'd you know that? How'd you know that? Were you on the plane? Fun fact. This doubles as Mark theme in Outbreak 2. Oh. Bedtime for me. I must stay online though, as an extra moment. Thank you, Bill. Have a good one, Bill. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You get some rest, buddy. I think I'm gonna call it as well in like an hour. I'll play for another hour and then I'll get some sleep.
Yes.
Because tomorrow, early morning for me.
I'll get some Dragon's Dawn then.
So the room is ready. There's 3 people out of 4. Who's missing?
Yeah.
Are you
I'm
no?
I'm in.
No, the emulator crashed on me after that. Wait.
Are you coming back? Shall we wait for you?
Yeah, I'm in the wrong list.
Alright.
Vloggy, we haven't done the RPD yet, have we?
Yeah, because the next I'm doing them in order really. I mean, the next scenario
Oh,
is
okay.
Underbelly actually. I was hoping it would be the RPD one, but you know, OCD.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the password?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I'm in.
5, 6, 7, 8.
There we go. 4 out of 4. Let's go in. Start game. Figured out because I watched a few crashed helicopters. Okay. Fair enough. Alright, let's go. I've never played this scenario, or if I did, it was a very, very long time ago. So I'm a total noob at this one.
Yeah.
If you play,
And it crashed again.
no, it's just gonna take.
Oh.
Wait, it really crashed?
Not it crashed. I think it's the network. It's the servers are
It's
pooping.
just taking a little bit. It's just,
Yeah,
'cause
we're gonna get an error message with the zombie saying network error or something.
Oh,
No, it keeps telling me that something about the CLR, the Dev 9.
But no, we're gonna get an error that the network, but it must be the
oh
servers.
yeah,
Yeah.
There we go. Network error. Do you get that? Do you see that?
yeah.
So, blind
Yeah.
fault.
So,
So,
do you want to create the
What
room,
now?
perhaps, Monokuma? Maybe it's because
Or
last time
yeah,
it worked
but
when you did
no,
it.
when I click on OK, it just, close the emulator for me.
Interesting. It's different for everyone.
Yeah, I keep getting the Dev 9.
Serious question. Nobody in the room is afraid of cockroaches. No, I'm not. I'm not afraid of cockroaches. They just gross me out, really.
ew.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of
Can you
anything.
imagine one?
So Monokuma's gonna create a room with her magic
Yeah,
abilities.
just yeah, make sure it's on easy.
Yeah. It's funny that there's an underbelly session. Maybe it's still ours, that one. I don't know.
No,
I'm
there's
not putting a password.
oh no, it's not ours. It's another one. Cause
It's up.
logging
Underbelly
in.
stream. There it is. All right. I'm coming
Yeah,
in.
I'm logging in.
I'm coming! Well, Vlog, you're going to freak out during the entire of the underbelly. Really? Are they cockroaches or is it like some sort of like
it's
ticks?
like
I think they're ticks though, not cockroaches, are they?
They
Did you
look,
switch the
bug.
difficulty, right?
Yeah, this is like easy.
You better. All right, so it's 3 out of 4. Who's missing?
That would be me. Yeah, I'm logging in.
They are
It's in
cockroaches.
the free
All right.
area, right?
All right, 4 out of
Yeah,
4.
but-
We're ready. Let's go.
Oh no, I'm not in.
Oh,
That's
there's
fine.
4
Oh
out
my
of 4.
jeez, no!
There's 4 out of 4 here. It says, who is it?
That's,
Yeah.
I don't know who that person is.
Yeah, but there was no
Val712.
There was no
Yeah.
password.
We don't put a password.
Am I the only one in there?
No,
No,
Ari
I'm
does
in. Yeah.
some random.
Oh, I love this cutscene. I've never seen it before. Or maybe I haven't, I forgot.
Right, so you started?
Well, I mean-
Recovery.
We need to stop it then and start over.
Yeah, I just kind of want to look at this. Oh, I remember this.
It's like an underground station or something, yeah. I remember bathrooms, but
I kind of want to play a Left 4 Dead every.
Yeah, you should do that next weekend.
Where is
I'll
it?
try to set it up by then. So do you want to quit the
Sure.
game?
Yeah. I guess.
You are dead. Look, the person's probably thinking, why did everybody leave?
Why did everybody die?
Yeah, I quit.
Yeah, I quit too. And it says I died.
Okay.
Should I make a room while I'm
Just
there?
do a password, I guess.
0 points, there's no point in saving then.
We should name it Don't Enter.
Go away.
Don't enter, we'll
Go
kill
and go away.
ourselves.
Oh no! I have a great name.
Jazz says, years ago my sister found an alive cockroach in a cereal box.
Ew.
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 Hey, Excision.
I think Monokuma will know this.
Alright, so who's gonna create the room again?
Yeah, I'm creating one.
Alright.
I want some filled with green cheese.
So it's gonna be on the belly, right?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not on hard or anything like that.
Oh no, it's easy. Okay, done.
Doki doki. Alright, so what's the
Yeah,
password?
the
Oh my god, no. 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 You can't do this to me.
What's the
What's the
password?
password?
4 1 1 1 1 1.
1111.
Donkey Donkey.
Well, it's been a while since we played that.
Donkey Donkey.
I wonder why.
Yeah,
Sayori's
yeah, I
scene was
know.
just the scariest thing. I still, I'm not gonna lie, I still have nightmares. I keep
I'm
thinking,
playing as
Yeah, that game is like really scary.
I'm playing as Jim because he has a key for this area.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
then-
there's a shortcut.
You can start the game, I think, because everybody's in.
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, we're on.
yeah, I also have to play, you know, Final Fantasy because I haven't. Because against Dogma took over.
Yeah, you should play Resident Evil again.
I think Jim is my least favorite character in Outbreak.
Play Resident Evil.
He's such a coward.
Yeah, it's,
I
yeah,
gotta
it's
get,
been like
I gotta get the first game on. Yeah, fine, I guess. I only
Wait a
have
moment.
0.5.
The only people who play as Jim are usually trolls.
My life is shit.
My life
Wait,
is
that's
shit. Wait, did we get
Why?
separated?
I am right here.
Wait, did we get separated?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, I have an employee area key. So I
Can
think
you say
that's
my
a
life is
short-
shit again, please?
Me or him?
Right.
Yeah, you
My
need to
life
make.
is shit.
How do you make him say that?
That's the ad-lib button.
what's that button?
Let's move.
I think square.
Help.
Yeah, square for
Hey.
just
Are you gonna pick that up, Bloggy, or
Damn
no?
it.
I'll pick it up. Unless you need
Yeah,
it.
my character-
Oh, you're
No, I got one.
Okay.
Yeah, David's like the only he has two things
My
to
life
say.
is shit. I love that saying. My life is shit.
Guys,
My shit is life.
What's next? Good night.
And I mean, it's fun to look at, but it increases your virus every time you play around with
So,
that.
but just a tad. If you get right back up, bad.
Ooh, it's a dirty
no, I
notes.
didn't get
Giggity.
the newest file.
There could be some stuff up here.
Go.
I'm not sure.
Why is there a blue herb?
What's
The
up?
blue herb, we know we're gonna have. Wait, where's the zombie?
Oh, just an aid spray.
Hey, girl, hey!
I
don't
tried to see
need
this
it.
one actually.
Oh, there's a knife.
Oh, girl, you missed me. Don't worry. I'm going to the women's. Please, nobody come into the room. I am going to the bathroom. I have a gun. I'm not afraid. You may be.
So what do you do? You just
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the other
because
bathroom.
they can't climb over what?
Something is dark. Hey. What? I flushed the toilet?
You flush the toilet.
Alright. Oh wait, the door is not on this side. It's,
Oh, yeah.
it's over here.
Watch out!
What
That
the-
zombie just came out of nowhere. Where did he come out of?
It's over here. I think.
Oh, don't forget to wash your hands.
Little spiders.
Whoa!
Wait.
Alright, I unlocked it. There we go.
Down.
Why is the concrete piece? What did I do with it? Ooh.
Hello? Oh, I remember. Oh, yeah, there's cockroaches. They're like buggy thing. Oh.
What's over here? Oh, it's dark and deep. I'd better not go in. Alright.
Wait, no, there's Bloggy.
Hold on, because
Alright.
I wanted to see if this door... This is a break room. I think there's some stuff in here. Let me see.
There, that vent I think goes to the part of decisions.
Uh-huh.
I think it's part of decisions. You'll see if we go back. Wait, hold on. This says I don't know the combination. You need a memo then.
Bye.
Oh.
Peekaboo. I don't get what the point is. Oh, a zombie's coming in.
First
What?
handgun. What is that?
Oh wait, I don't need that key.
Oh, that's a gun that shoots 3 shots at a time.
Ooh,
It's really good.
get up.
Pornos, okay.
What?
I just in this break room. There's
What did you just say?
there's pornographic magazines in this room.
Okay,
Really?
That's what I thought you said. I was like,
Oh shh.
I'm hiding in the locker.
well, I need
Oh,
to go
oh,
find
thanks.
those.
Yeah.
So can you tell me where you're at so I can...
Hold on, wait for me. I'm right behind you.
No, you don't need to be here.
Yeah, you're right. I just need them because I have my own stash.
What?
I have my own stash.
Holy crap, it's... dark.
Yeah, there's a puzzle in here. I don't know if we're ready for
Oh
it.
wait.
Oh man, I got
Here,
wrecked.
go dark.
Oh come on, are you kidding me? The zombies followed me here. Where am I gonna go? Oh help me please!
Yeah, the switchboard's off. Okay.
Hello?
I have no idea where I am right now. I lost everyone.
Okay.
What is this?
Area key.
Yeah, I already used that key.
Is this my...
Tower. What's this? A tower.
What?
I found a control room.
Wait. Say something, Vloggy, on screen, the,
Help
ad
me.
lib or something. Wait, oh,
Elisa!
two people did it at
David.
once, so.
Yes.
Oh, you're behind me, okay. Oh, yeah, I was just there, I think.
There's a control room here. I don't know what this does. What's all
Hey!
this?
Ew, what's people?
We have to turn the breaker on, so. Vloggy.
Oh, I'm not so sure.
I have no idea what.
It says it's not on or something.
Storage room is blocked.
Lamp is flashing. It says
Area blocked.
subway management system. The air lamp is flashing.
Huh.
Accident warning, caution,
Oh.
accident, electrical danger, power. What about this computer? What does this do? Paperwork piled up. There's a bunch of stuff. It requires 2 emblems apparently. Computer is from nothing important here. You've memorized the map. You're good. You memorized the map. And
Alright,
there's
who wants
another
to go in the
computer over
bathroom? Oh,
here.
never mind.
What's this
There's a
computer?
zombie.
Yeah, I'm going to this area that's, wait, men's staff restroom. Okay, this is somewhere else.
Wait, do we need the blood infusion?
The what?
Ooh, bullets.
Okay, I
there's a
found
blood
something that
infusion.
requires a combination.
Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me, Vloggy.
Thank you.
I have no idea.
I have the password, Vloggy.
Oh! Shoot!
Wait, where are you?
I
think
need
it's
the password.
It's desk. That's the password.
No, 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 this is just numbers. Combination is numbers.
Yeah, no, it's.
Yeah, I does see it.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, wait for me.
Small notebook. What's this?
I'm leaving because Vloggy made me scared.
AB. What's this?
Oh, you must be
Alright.
somewhere else then. Okay.
I found the
we
small
were in the
notebook.
control room.
ABJ.
Yeah, I have another combination I'm doing right now.
I found the
There's
small
another
notebook.
hole.
Hey, cheer!
Hmm.
You just passed me.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
I
Well,
know.
hi to you then. All right, I got the B2F key.
Okay. I found like a book with a code, kind of. There's like random letters.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
zombie!
Cheer, you want to go to the basement?
Sure. Go.
All right, let's go to the basement.
Yeah. Really.
You may die, but we'll go.
Oh no, there's a lot of zombies coming. Running.
I have no idea where I'm going right now. West Conquers. What's this? Zombie! Oh, come on! Really, dude?
This way.
Wait, there's a zombie here.
Oh, there's zombies everywhere here.
There was a zombie here. Oh.
I told you I had the key.
Yeah, I know.
You were so surprised. You're like, oh.
Now I'm surprised that.
Now I'm in the
Now I'm
woman's
surprised
bathroom.
by my character's help call.
Now I'm in the ladies' bathroom.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I think Vlogger should hear my help call. Wait, what the hell?
I found the pipe.
My special move. That was my special move.
There's
I'm gonna
nothing.
become a zombie because I keep throwing myself on the ground.
How do you do the special move?
It's R2. Hold R2 down in circle.
Why is there blood everywhere?
R2?
Why is there blood everywhere?
That's
Because
what
it's
I
a
do.
Resident Evil game.
R2 in circle. Right?
for me-
Circle? Yeah.
Yeah, for me R2 in circle just shoots.
Oh, I flushed the toilet as well. Not sure what the point is.
Alcohol.
Oh, I think my
Yeah,
special
that-
move is
yeah.
the wrench.
Yeah, but you only have a limited number of those wrenches, by the way.
Oh yeah, I have like 11.
That's it.
Hey, Slander92.
Yeah, we're refused them. We're refused. Oh,
Good night.
I have no idea where I'm
Hey!
going right now.
how do I? Oh, Magnum.
Get this. Man. You know what? That's probably like the best way to die. You're in your maggot.
Oh, I'm poisoned. What, there's Magnum ammo here.
Ooh, I want the
Yeah.
magnum.
Shotgun ammo here.
Oh
And
shit.
there's a first aid. First aid?
Ah, it's coming! Going. Oh shoot, it found me, didn't it? Because I said thank you.
Slander.
How did you go through the hole?
Just X.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Keep
Someone
saying
come help.
it's so dark and deep.
Dark and deep.
You can't go through?
Nope.
I have no idea where I'm
Maybe,
going.
Maybe as Jim, I'm the only one that can do it because I know the area. I don't...
Maybe.
You just go out the door. Go out
Yeah.
the door, I'll meet you.
Because I
Yeah,
can't go
it's-
there.
Yeah,
I'm
it
outside
says.
the door.
Yeah, it says it's too dark and deep. Can't go in. You went through here, right?
Yeah. I think. Oh wait, let's go this way actually. First.
Oh wait, I need this
Oh. Yeah, I
Where's
need
my
it too.
save here,
Oh.
Vloggy?
because I'm. Wait, Raggy, where are you?
I'm at the platform downstairs. I'm at
I'm
the
there,
platform.
there.
There's a
I'm
bunch
there
of
too.
mucus.
Ew, what?
Ew.
There's some mucus. But I forgot to bring a spoon.
Ew.
Alright, we need some stuff I think in here. What's that?
Oh, find the Magnum.
Okay, Cheer has the Magnum, so when he dies. No, I'm
Oh
joking.
no no.
I'm just
Oh no.
Oh, there you are!
Oh.
There you are! You want to eat some mucus? It's over there.
No,
Ow!
no,
Vloggy?
away.
Vloggy, I turned the power on so you can do that break.
To do what?
Wait, we can
You
go
have
in
that
the
breaker room? Were you in the breaker room? Or no?
Yeah?
So, I turned the power on for it. I think you can...
Let me see if I remember how to get there because it's been a while since I've been there. I'm gonna go up the stairs and I'm gonna see if I
Okay,
can
so-
find the room. Hold on.
Then let me examine this door.
I'm getting confused because there's an east and a west, and there's like a
This door is
northeast.
locked.
Let's see. Oh,
Locked.
tower. What about this?
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Employee passage.
Oh, don't get near that.
Yeah, what's the?
Oh my god, an assault rifle.
Nice.
Really? Wanna mess with me now?
Oh, look at the Magnum.
Oh, wait! Oh, wait, the area I'm in right now is from Decisions.
Really?
I swear, this is the storage room in Decisions. It's like a little Easter egg. Oh, I have a Magnum. Yay. I can't hold on to it, though, because I've got... Oh, well, I'll put this away. I got... Jeez.
I have no idea which room is which.
No, I got it.
Breaker room. This is it. The breaker room you were saying?
Yeah, it should be on. You should be able to use...
No.
Alright, so I'm in the...
Poison.
Oh. Alright, so I found the control panel here. Due to the flooding, all operation is disabled, it says. There's some kind of warning. Will you read it? Now, okay. There's a warning. It says breaker room.
I know, right? Prepping us
Oh,
for stuff.
Boggy or Cheer, I kind of abandoned you. Sorry.
Oh, no worries. I'm actually close. Where are you now? Are you talk?
I'm back by the employee break room somehow.
Oh.
Somehow I
Oh,
like
you-
teleported.
Oh, went upstairs. No, I went downstairs by the water and got shocked. Pretty shocked
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah, it's still this game is still you can play online. Yes. Yep.
Yeah, I'm
can-
coming upstairs.
Come on.
Hmm.
Zombies pushing the door and I'm holding it. Is he gonna give up?
I would. I'm in the control room.
Oh,
Yeah, let's make up a...
There's a lot of combinations.
Oh, the zombie gave up! That is amazing!
no! I shot the zombie. I'm outside the.
Oh, really?
Yep, I just shot the zombie dead.
All operation is disabled. There's nothing I can do. The power is on, but there's nothing I can do here. So I'm getting out of here.
You can't turn it on. Oh,
No.
Hi.
hi. I think I'm gonna go. There was something in the basement.
Who is this?
actually,
Who's this?
too.
Oh, there you are. It's Cheer. Oh, everyone's
Yeah,
here.
what?
Wait, I'm going back down to the
wait.
basement.
I'm following you guys. I have no idea where we're going.
All right,
Where's
follow me.
Monokuma? Where's Monokuma?
I don't know. I lost her. Monokuma, are you still alive? Don't die, please. And if you do,
Wait,
can I
where
have your
are you?
stuff?
No.
So where are you now?
I haven't been here. What's this place?
This is where Chair and I were earlier.
Okay, where are you now?
We
We're
went
going down
down
those stairs.
the
No, no,
iron
no.
door.
Yeah, I know. I saw you guys, but no. Sorry, Monokuma.
Going into the window.
My life is shit.
Oh, here, you just passed me. Literally.
Oh. Hmm?
I ran away.
Let's go.
Yeah, I know where they went, so...
What happened?
Oh,
Whoa!
uh-oh. I gotta turn that power off. Crap.
Whoa! 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 I'm getting electrocuted here. Uh oh.
Yeah, don't go to the water.
Whoops, I turned on the power too soon. Whoops.
Wait,
I'll turn it off.
Where are you?
Down at the end of the hall, there's a door. At the very end. Not the close one, but at the end.
Must be this one then. It says high voltage. Yeah,
who's
emergency power.
opening the
room.
doors in here?
Alright, I
Right,
turned the
there it
power
is.
off.
Okay. What's over here? Have you been inside here?
I guess I'm the only one that can go through there?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
you
it says dark and deep and better
Yeah,
not go
it
in.
only lets Jim go through.
Oh, okay.
Let's
So
just to
weird.
the bathrooms. Not much.
Alright, I'm gonna go down. Now the power's off, we can go through the water.
Okay.
I did it
Oh,
too soon.
This is completely blind for me.
Oh, hi.
No,
You want a Magnum?
no, I have an assault rifle. Let me tell you. No.
Oh, the camera angle's different now. I just realized. Oh, hello. Hold
Oh, nice.
on. My gun is empty. Uh oh.
So you didn't need it. You didn't need that handgun, right?
Wow, this place is flooded. This copy. I'm holding out for a hero. I don't know what song that is.
Oh shit, help!
Ah, there's a valve handle. Oh, what's gonna happen?
When Ari talked us stuff, I don't know what was like.
Sorry.
Yeah, this reminds me
Where
of...
is that to?
That's downstairs. Through the basement.
Good luck, guys.
Oh, just don't worry, just follow me. I know the way.
Oh, the drainage main valve. Something. What did he say?
Here.
So
So
now
he
we
must
can
fit
turn
in
the
here.
power on. Oh,
Watch out.
Oh no, over here.
I don't think I can follow, so I'll leave you here.
No, I think it's gonna bring me up to that power where yeah. it just brought me upstairs to where
That's
we.
first aid.
Really? You of all people don't know that song? I don't know, Jack. I suck. What's
What?
this? What's this? It's like an emblem or something?
Wait, what song?
I found an emblem.
What?
I found an emblem.
I see a lot of
It's
blood.
a face.
Yeah, I
It
see
says,
too.
yeah, Founder's emblem. Where there? I don't know what it is, but
Oh, we use it on the train, I think. We use it on the
Yeah, you
train.
gotta break off the thing.
why is
Yeah.
everything in Raccoon City all with emblems and stuff?
That's correct.
You want to get the train going? You better find 2 emblems. You want to get out of the zoo? Find 2 emblems.
When I go to the bathroom, to emblem.
I know, right?
Holy crap, it's dark in here!
Alright, now we can go back upstairs.
Oh, what the? Oh,
I
no,
just
no,
got
no.
attacked by
I don't think
something.
this
I don't know what it
opens.
was.
Oh,
Don't go
we
in that
did.
room.
Yeah, I know. We
Can it
did
be like
that room
open?
anymore.
Nope, doesn't work. Nothing.
There.
There might be a magnum out through here if you want to wait.
Wait, so,
The thing is, I got shotgun shells. I was hoping I'd find the shotgun eventually.
Okay. So the breaker room should work now, I think. Or I don't know.
I have no idea what everyone is.
I hear people. Who's down here?
Yeah, I heard somebody
Oh,
shooting.
we're all down here.
Oh, here's the.
There might be something in here too. Let me check in here.
Yeah,
first.
I'm in the pump room.
Pump
You
room.
gotta pump it,
Pump it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
pump
The
it,
pump
right?
room.
I need a hero. Oh, it's calling out.
Oh, no.
It's called I need a hero. Oh, it's dark in here. I cannot see a thing. What's going on? What's this? Where did you bring me?
Alright, I'm getting out of here. Sorry.
No, no.
I told
Yeah,
you
what
I was an outbreak noob. Sorry.
I'm kidding. I have no idea where we are. I'm actually. I think you know what you're doing more or less. I have no
I
idea.
think you know more. I think you know more than us.
Yeah. Well, that's why he's called Ari Talk. He knows everything. Oh, we need that one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why your name is Ari Talk and my name is Vloggy Buddy, not Ari Buddy or something.
Are we both poisoned or just me?
I want caution.
Yeah, I think we need the valve right now.
Wait, I have a valve. Wait, you can
Yeah.
get another. You should be able to get another valve downstairs. But why do you need a valve?
To go to the pump room? Or did you finish from there? Yeah. Yeah, you go down the stairs.
I think whoever has the emblem should go to.
Oh yeah, go to the train, I guess now, right? What is this room?
Yeah, but we still have to
Can
do
we open
some
it?
stuff for the.
I'm kinda lost here. Cause I have no idea where we're going. He's gonna follow you.
There's some zombies wearing the same uniform as you are, Ari Talk, and I keep thinking it's you and it's just a
I
zombie.
know, right?
Yeah.
Earlier I came across and I was like, Jim.
Oh yeah.
Ah, this is the room I was in, and I couldn't
Okay,
do anything.
now we can do it. All
now
power
we can.
distribution
Yes, operate
points.
switchboard. Yes. So now what do we do?
Go home.
Or power distribution must be set to 10. So what do I do? I just did something, but I don't know what happened. This already been
I did
taken
it,
care
that
of.
was bad.
Did you do that, or did I do that?
I did it.
I beeped a few things around, but I don't know. So what happened now? What did
Well,
we
maybe
do?
we. I'm gonna take this first.
Okay, this is locked.
I think the train might be ready. I don't know. Oh wait, the door that's electronically locked next to near. Wait, there's a door that's
No
electronically
problem,
locked.
Jasmine. Thank you so much.
It should be
you.
open now.
Wait. Man, this is confusing.
Yeah, this is confusing. This scenario is very confusing. So many areas look the same, and you got the east and the west, and
Alright, I'm going in that dark room.
I think they do that on
no.
purpose.
Rip.
You just have to go there. There's nothing. Except for shotgun ammo.
It's not the. Oh my god. It's nasty. Get off me. Oh my god. Off me.
That's nasty.
Help! Help! It's on
Oh
me!
yeah, look at us. We're so good.
Go!
Ah.
Go!
I'm.
This sucks.
This sucks. Assault rifle. Nice.
Give me out.
This sucks. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use the herbage. What's he doing with the coin?
I'm trying to get heads.
And what happens if you do?
You get like more. I think it's your attack power. Your attack power increases or something. I think it's only within the room or so. Oh wait, I definitely need this tape. I think.
Well, I'm poisoned. GG.
So wait, do we go upstairs now?
I need the repair tape.
This sucks.
Okay, let's go down. I need to go downstairs.
That's my character that said this sucks.
Hey, you!
Help!
Wait, where's Cheer?
I'm with the...
There he is.
Help!
We're all going down this way.
Help!
Let's go this way.
Never. I'm poisoned. I need herbs.
You're poisoned.
I think I'm poisoned too.
You're
Yeah, I'm
poisoned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm poisoned.
This sucks.
You're poisoned. This sucks.
Help! Help! Damn, help me.
This
No,
sucks.
I think I was-
I love saying this sucks.
I'll take the bugs from my
Damn,
Maybe.
help me. Damn, help me.
Damn it.
Damn, help me.
Okay.
This sucks.
I love the way my character say, help me.
I like my character saying this sucks. And Jim saying my life is shit.
Damn, help me.
No idea.
Damn, help me.
Where are we going? I have no idea where we're going now.
Help me.
We're going downstairs.
There's 2 zombies. I think there's something.
control room door.
Yeah, this one needs the valve.
Well, yeah, but I have to use the repair tape first. There we go. Alright, now we need to get back upstairs for the valve.
What the heck does this mean?
What?
I found the control room drawer.
I got lost. I lost you guys.
I used the repair tape on the pipe downstairs. I have to. Okay. I think I know what to do.
We need the valve, right?
Yeah, I'm going. Oh, wait.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
This sucks.
This sucks.
Let's go. Sounds good.
Why? Hey!
Damn
Sounds
it.
good to me.
Damn it.
Oh, snap!
This is the core room.
This sucks.
Yo!
Sorry, I'm just trying to move it along. I'm sorry.
Oh man, I amuse myself so easily.
Help!
This
Over there.
sucks.
This sucks.
Help! Over here!
I didn't even drink.
Help! Help! Damn, help me!
Over
there.
Oh no, we can't get in.
I'm going
where?
to the pump room downstairs.
Damn
That's where it leads.
Damn it.
Oh, so
Just
you have
fast.
the valve?
Sucks.
Guys, I can do the combination, but I don't know it.
Yeah, I don't know it either.
I honestly probably.
Wait, let's... I think I already talked about the combination.
What should I do?
What an MP does?
Let's move.
Oh, it's numbers.
Uh-oh, that didn't do anything.
Does anybody have a number combination?
No, I don't. I looked everywhere, but
Wait, I thought you
we
had
can
it.
enter-
let me
somebody
just
has
go
to
through my
have it
files
when
real
you
quick.
enter
Let me
it.
just go through my
Wait,
files
this
real
is-
quick. Company memo.
Oh,
Wait, did
crap.
wait, the main drainage valve, no need to touch it now. Okay, I guess I did what I needed to do. I don't know what to do now.
Oh crap, there's like 3 zombies on it.
This sucks.
Really?
Oh, I think I know. So when the train crashes now, we can put out the fire.
The
Okay.
letters that are missing are the... Oh, no. Okay.
Cheer.
What?
So
Up the
AVs.
stairs.
So the
Come
thing
on.
we're missing is AVs.
I don't see you guys. Oh, there you are. Oh, there you guys are.
Yo! This sucks!
Cheer.
What?
3, 4.
Heal. Oh, never mind.
Oh, how was the hill?
This
There
sucks!
was the first aid. Yeah, there was the first aid, right?
Okay, I think we go to the train now.
Damn
I
it.
think. And use that
We
emblem.
have to do something for the control room.
No, we did. What?
No, there's a combination.
This sucks!
Oh.
And I don't know. I have a thing for the control room, but it's with them.
I'm not doing anything except following you guys around saying this sucks.
Dan, help me.
Anybody got anything for poison?
Help.
Nope.
Help.
I'm still poison.
Maybe.
Okay.
This sucks!
Yeah, I'm poisoned.
This sucks!
Dear, Vloggy's just so amused by it.
I know, I can't stop laughing. This sucks. Oh, he does complain.
Here.
This sucks. My special ability.
I
Dan,
think.
help me.
I don't know where the control room is.
Dan, help me.
Good. This sucks!
So where do I have to go now?
I'm going to the train, I guess. I don't
I'm
know.
following you.
Because Vloggy definitely has the plate that we need, I think.
Yeah, but I think we need 2. According to the book that I found, it says we need 2.
Oh.
Wait, wasn't there one downstairs?
Dan, help me.
Well.
Well,
Vloggy, I think this is where we started. Yeah. This is
Yeah,
where-
this one.
Well, there's a left and right areas that look exactly the same. So I
No,
don't.
but
Yeah.
yeah, this is
okay.
definitely it.
Actually, we come from the right.
Because Vloggy, the door was on the left, so that's the same.
All right.
That's definitely the same.
Let's try going on the train then. Let's see
That's
if-
all I know.
Let's see if it works. Let's go on the train or whatever.
Hold on, didn't we wait for Monokuma?
Where's Monokuma anyway? I haven't seen her in a while.
Control room.
This
Well,
sucks.
we can't even go on the train, I think,
This sucks.
until it crashes, and then we have to fight the big tick monster, I think. What is that?
Did you
It's
say
over
tit
here.
monster?
Yes.
No.
The
Oh,
big
I'm
tit
taking that.
monster.
Oh, I am definitely taking that.
That is not a herb, is it?
I saw something.
Oh my god, what is it?
This sucks!
Oh, what's going on?
Oh,
Somebody
the
did
train.
something. Or no.
Oh,
No, I walked by the train. That's all I did.
I don't think these are cockroaches, to be honest with you. It's cold over there, Jasmina?
They're ticks. They're ticks.
Yeah, they're ticks.
They look like fleas to me.
I don't have any weapons at all. Oh, what's inside here? Can I go inside here? Oh, I'm going inside the train. The subway car. I need a shotgun.
Oh
There's
no,
only-
you're gonna be kidding me.
Vloggy, try to pin. Vloggy.
Oh,
Yeah? Oh, wait, what is this?
Help!
I found an employee area key.
we don't need that.
Huh?
Yeah, we don't need that.
We don't?
No, that's what I had earlier.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. I think Vloggy, if you come over here. Yeah.
I'd like a shotgun. I'm gonna look around real quick, cause
So
There.
wait, do we fight the giant tick?
I think we have to use the plate on the train. I don't know if there's 2 because
whoa, what's going on?
wait, I have no idea.
Who did this?
Uh-oh. I'm in the train track. Do I die?
Should I get out of here? I'm still in
I
the
did-
car.
Oh,
I'm getting out of here. I hear a noise. I heard the noise.
oh, there's Miss Monokuma. Okay, we're all
You guys
here
should probably
then, I guess.
should stay off the platform right now, cause
Wait, do I have to cross the...
Wait.
I heard listen to that.
Yeah, I heard this.
Watch out! Help me, please! There we go. It's train arriving. I hope nobody's on the platform. I hope everybody's on the platform. I mean,
I actually went down.
stay off the tracks because I don't know if this
Yeah,
damages.
I'm on the tracks.
Jack insists that these are cockroaches.
No, these are not
Oh, they
cockroaches.
just.
Cockroaches are longer. They're not.
Exactly. These have like big butts. I think these are ticks.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this was the
Yeah, see, this is what I was making it so the sprinkler system worked. That's all I did.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
no.
Because, yeah. Because the
No.
water had leaked in the basement, so I had to, like, repair it and then redo it.
I'm gonna have to play this alone so that I understand what happened. Okay, so you want the emblem, right?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. Let me
just-
just give you the emblem real quick. Here.
Where's Cheer?
I'm
Take
behind
the
you.
emblem.
Yeah,
Alright, let's go.
I'm behind you. Here I am.
Yeah, I put the emblem over there. Remember that?
I guess we
You need
we
another
do
one.
need two, yeah.
Yeah.
There is open. There is open.
Yeah, let's go in there and see if something's in there.
There's a key.
A key. Oh!
Where are you guys?
I found it.
Oh, it's employee area key.
Yeah,
Well, let me
I
check
saw that
it.
one already.
The other emblem.
Does anybody
there's
have? Does anybody have a
look.
shotgun?
There might be one on... Let me look. Is there a shotgun on here? No.
So where do we go now? Do we visit the area where the train just crashed?
Miss Monokuma.
I got the
I'm gonna keep going straight. I'm gonna look to see if I can find anything now where the train crashed, because I think it opened an area.
Okay, we can go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Miss
Yeah.
Monokuma has the emblem.
Did she? Alright.
Yep.
I'm gonna leave it. Leave everybody.
Alright.
No, we're on the train.
The area's
I'm
closed
on the
off.
train.
Antidote? No.
Magnum revolver rounds. Who wants these?
Revolver on.
Yeah, I have
I
a
need
Magnum revolver rounds. Is
Yeah,
this a
what are
shotgun?
you-
Is this a shotgun?
Wait.
Oh! I
Wait.
found the shotgun.
Where are you, Vloggy?
Alright, down on the platform. On the actual train tracks and keep going straight.
Can we
Okay.
not go through?
Okay, I'm coming.
Yes, please.
Wait, did you use the emblem already?
Yeah, I opened the. Oh.
Oh no!
There we
What's
go.
going on?
Wait.
Oh my god, I got
Bye-bye, Jim. I think I already talked to that guy.
Oh no!
scared. Not the
No,
jam.
who's Jim?
Jim is
Me.
Ari Talk.
Is it me?
Are you dead?
Wait.
I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Oh look, I was
I got
right here.
I got taken away.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no! Ah!
Wait, are you in this?
Oh my god! I activated. We're all at the end of the train tunnel. Go there.
Yes, I'm
Go to the
trying
end
to
of the
get.
train tunnel.
I'm trying to get the. Oh crap! I
They're
need to
playing
grab
bowling.
the shotgun.
Oh, there are some nerves here.
I'm freaking bleeding and I can't see anything with this. I can't see anything. Oh wow! I didn't even shoot once. Who did that?
I did.
Oh nice. I just dropped the rounds for you if you want. I have
Okay.
more.
Get to the train.
Get on the chopper now!
I legit just literally went through the thing.
Go to the train. Oh god.
Hi.
I'm gonna die.
Good job guys, I didn't do anything here. I didn't solve
Oh,
a
there was
puzzle,
a
I didn't shoot a
bullet
boss.
there.
Nothing.
Wait, where's the mag?
Get to the chopper now! Get to the train now! Big Boss does a great impression. Big Boss does a great impression of get to the chopper now! Pull that cookie down!
Okay, I'm in.
I'm in too.
Where's the
I didn't do anything in this game except following people around. I didn't even shoot monsters, nothing. I didn't even solve a puzzle. This sucks!
I like it, what? Okay, so now what?
Don't give up.
So what do we do now? We just stay here?
Don't give up. You alright?
Oh, here we go. That's it? We did it?
We did it.
Wow. I have no idea what we did in this scenario. Nothing.
That's where our luck
My favorite
ran.
scenario in Outbreak File 2
Just
is
ahead,
decisions,
a train was
decisions.
blocking our path and we had to pull back.
Wait, not decisions, decisions.
Tell you what, this crap is getting old real
flashback.
quick.
The one with the police station. What's it called?
Oh,
Desperate times.
Desperate Times. I said decisions.
Yeah.
Desperate Times. That's my favorite scenario in this game.
Continued.
I'm gonna have to call it though. It's getting late for me. I need to
Alright.
wake up in 6 hours. So
Hey, D rank. Cool.
we got the D.
Uneasy. D.
We got the D on
You know
easy.
it's easy.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for playing with me. Thank you everyone in chat that hung out with us. And
night, Vloggies.
we'll see you next time.
good
I'm
night.
gonna have to call it quits.
Bye, have a great time everybody.
Bye, guys.
Ciao.